Financial markets are evolving faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It is actively reshaping how trading decisions are analyzed, executed, and managed. But technology alone does not create an edge. Real advantage comes from understanding how AI works. Join Erwin Garcia as he walks through how AI-powered tools are being used to analyze markets, manage risk, and support disciplined trading decisions in today's evolving financial environment. Welcome to the AI-powered trading educational webinar.
Jesus touched on finances so many times. The good, the bad, and the ugly. The finances are coming around in our era. I'm here to encourage you. Many times we can't be in a religious mindset. And so this platform focuses more on what we're going to do with the treasures God gives us. In the book of Matthew, how God gave talents to people, and they took their talents. The person with 3 or 4 talents, he went out and doubled his investment. Those talents was to gain currency of that day. And he went out and he invested. And in some translation, it said he traded and doubled his investment. And the last person that only had 1 took it and he literally buried it and did nothing with it. The person that had a few talents, 3 or 4 talents, he said, Lord, look, I invested, I doubled it. The Lord was pleased with him. Well done. That's what he said. Come on in to the joy of the Lord. And you have been faithful over small, I will increase you. The next person did the same thing. The third had bad news, but he thought it was good news because he did nothing. Well, what of the talents and the currency of the day? He did nothing but buried it. You and I, we can't do nothing and let the world receive the wealth that God is saying, I want to give to you. You and I will go before the Lord, and we want to hear those words, well done.
Hey there, Minas Academy and Erwin Garcia. Listen, this is Dr. Pastor Ben Lynn with Glory Coalition Gloco and with Ben Lynn Ministries. I'm really excited about this challenge that Erwin is promoting, has created. Listen, AI is the future, artificial intelligence, and this is not something that we should scare away from, but this is something we should use and utilize for the glory of God. In fact, AI has already been integrated in a lot of our programs and a lot of the technologies that we've been using up to today. But we are definitely in a season of increase and acceleration of AI, and things are going to begin to exponentially leap. We're in a season of the quantum leap. And so many of us, we may feel overwhelmed or a little afraid or unsure. But friends, Erwin and Minas Academy is doing such a great job in bringing the prophetic, bringing the marketplace, really kingdom entrepreneurs and kingdom spirits, leaders, influencers of the next move, the next generation, together in this unique hub and this unique accelerator to experience really what God has. It's the next thing, it's the new thing, it's the new move. So if you know me, you know I'm all about the new. The Bible says He's doing a new thing. So here in Minas Academy and this challenge that's led by our good friend Erwin Garcia, wow, this is going to educate, impart, and accelerate you for what is to come in terms of AI, technology, and in the Web3 space. Join and be a part of what God's doing.
Hey, my name is Stuart. Big shout out to Erwin Garcia at Minas Academy. I have been part of the Academy now for coming up to 6 months. I'm part of the Advanced Accelerator course, and also I'm in the training course as well. Over the last 6 months, I've seen significant gains financially, with over 5 times my return on investment. In addition, we have just been able to really hear God's voice about what He's looking to do in this season, and just to be part of this wealth transfer time that we're in. And but in addition to that, it's just been great to be part of a group that's just full of integrity, that is combines great biblical teaching with hearing God's voice through the prophetic, and applying just really good solid wisdom in how we apply that to investing and trading. So if you're interested in seeing God move through you and your finances, whether that be personally or whether that to be invest in the kingdom, I would thoroughly recommend that you come along and that you check it out and that you sign up, and just not for what God can do through you, but also just be part of a great community of people. I think one of the most challenging things about investing or being in business or even pioneering as a whole is just it can be quite a lonely road. And one of the things I love about the course is just that sense of family and belonging, and that we're all in this together. But just a massive thank you to Erwin and the team, and really excited about what we see God do in 2025.
Oh my goodness, what can I say about Erwin Garcia and the Minas Academy? Whew, what a blessing his teachings in the academy has been to my life. Listen, I'm a 66-year-old great-grandmother. I am so not a techie person, okay? I can work my way around a computer because I've had to do it for many years for work. But when it comes to technology and knowing about AI and knowing about the blockchain and cryptos and all of that, that was like talking Greek to me a year ago. But since I have been attending Erwin's Academy, I've learned about cryptocurrency and how to protect myself from scams and how to protect my income on the blockchain. It has been an incredible blessing. And now I'm learning about AI, artificial intelligence, and whoo, have learned that it is my friend. All the things that I have been taught in the past to be afraid of it, and it's going to take over the world, and it's going to eradicate the need for people. Listen, you want to attend Erwin's challenge because you want to learn the truth about AI and how it can be used to enhance what you're doing, not to replace you. So I can't speak highly enough about Erwin and the Minas Academy. Listen, join the challenge, join the academy. You will not regret it.
We have to stop limiting God. The scripture says in the book of Psalms that those that came out of Egypt, the Israelites, God wanted to do so much more. The Bible said that they limit the Holy One of Israel. It's time to take the limits off of God. I believe we're overdue for a wealth transfer. We're in that era of acceleration. Things that used to take years are going to take months. Those that would take months will take weeks, and those that would take weeks will take days. We're in a season and era of acceleration. He wants us to be blessed going in and going out, the country and the town. He wants us to be a blessing everywhere we go. Because as God is blessing you, you're blessing others. He wants us to obtain the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding of things in this era that we live in. He wants the righteous to walk upright with Him. You and I have this opportunity. The Lord tells us in the book of Psalms for us not to be like a mule, not to be stubborn. God wants to teach you and I the way to go. He that has ears, let them hear what the Lord is saying. God wants to bless you. He wants you to live in an abundant situation, but the thief, he comes to steal, kill, and destroy. Well, my Lord says He wants me to live and to live abundantly. that I can be a blessing, because at the end of the day, people will look towards the righteous for answers and directions. And if they see that you're blessed of the Lord, if they see that whatever you touch, God is increasing in blessing because you're walking upright before Him. Get ready, saint.
Praise the Lord, everyone. This is Dr. Manuel Johnson. Many of you guys know me as the Glory Day man that says, speaking in all the time, these are glory days and not gloomy days. Glory for the righteous and gloomy for the wicked. Well, I'm coming to you with another important matter that's going on. The Bible says that in the last days that knowledge is going to increase. So I want to take a minute to talk to you about AI, which means artificial intelligence. And my dear friend, Dr. Erwin Garcia, will be ministering on that. And the Bible also tells us that knowledge and wisdom is good. And you need to get that. So this could be the good, the great, the bad, and the ugly. And I do believe through this information that Dr. Garcia is giving us, that it will be a true blessing and will impact us. So I pray that you will tag your friends and let them know that he's doing some great seminars on this with a great panel of powerful, anointed men and women of God. I wish I could be a part of it this time, but I'm in Minnesota traveling, getting the gospel out, saints. But I will be part of many other of those live streams to minister to you what the Holy Spirit is saying. But saints, the great thing is that the good news is that the bad news didn't work out. And I really believe that God has given us these tools and we can use it either for the good or for the bad. Well, in this platform, we're using it for the good, for the glory of the kingdom of God. Anyway, that's it for right now. Watch his programs, watch those seminars, and let the Lord use you. And Dr. Erwin Garcia, we bless you. We thank God for what he's using you in these hours of trial, but also hours of victory. Praise the Lord. We'll talk to you later. God bless you. And remember, these are glory days, not gloomy days. Glory for the righteous and gloomy for the wicked. Love you all.
Hey, my name is Stuart. Big shout out to Erwin Garcia at Minas Academy. I have been part of the Academy now for coming up to 6 months. I'm part of the Advanced Accelerator course, and also I'm in the training course as well. Over the last 6 months, I've seen significant gains financially, with over 5 times my return on investment. In addition, we have just been able to really hear God's voice about what he's looking to do in this season, and just to be part of this wealth transfer time that we're in. And but in addition to that, it's just been great to be part of a group that's just full of integrity, that is combines great biblical teaching with hearing God's voice through the prophetic, and applying just really good solid wisdom in how we apply that to investing and trading. So if you're interested in seeing God move through you and your finances, whether that be personally or whether that to be invest in the kingdom, I would thoroughly recommend that you come along and that you check it out and that you sign up, and just not for what God can do through you, but also just be part of a great community of people. I think one of the most challenging things about investing or being in business or even pioneering as a whole is just it can be quite a lonely road. And one of the things I love about the course is just that sense of family and belonging, and that we're all in this together. But just a massive thank you to Erwin and the team, and yeah, really excited about what we see God do in 2025.
Financial markets are evolving faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It is actively reshaping how trading decisions are analyzed, executed, and managed. But technology alone does not create an edge. Real advantage comes from understanding how AI works. Join Erwin Garcia as he walks through how AI-powered tools are being used to analyze markets, manage risk, and support disciplined trading decisions in today's evolving financial environment. Welcome to the AI-powered trading educational webinar.
All right. Oops. All right, guys. Welcome. Cameras on. Welcome, guys. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been doing a webinar. Good to see you, Robert. I see a few faces. I see Harley. I see Denny. I see Mike. But guys, turn on your cameras. That'll be great. Let me see if I can see you guys in my right side. Sorry, guys, if I'm looking to the left, so that I see the cameras there. Good to see HP, Denny's there, Esther. Guys, turn on your cameras. That'll be great. Let me know in the chat where you guys coming from. I'd like to know if it's from the Facebook ads, if it's from Love Has a Name, Brother Brian, or if it's from Prophet Manuel Johnson, or let me know. Just let me go type in the chat if you guys can let me know how'd you guys get to know about this. But Harley's all the way from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. I'm actually here in North Carolina in Black Mountain, but let me know as well. How'd you guys get to know about this this webinar? So I'd love to know. Isaac, Robert, Harley, Jim Rocks, Mike, Denny, HP. I don't know if I have to change that name. Esther, Google Pixel. Let me know, Robert, Emmanuel, to emails. That'd be good to know, right? So for anybody that came from Brother Brian and Love Has a Name, welcome. And for anybody that came from Facebook ads, let me know. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. And then from Manuel Johnson, let me know. That'd be great. HP, I'm Canadian. I'm from Toronto. Actually, I'm in Scarborough, Markham level, but I'm supposed to be in Orlando. My family's in Orlando, but right now I'm in a kids camp right now. So guys, that's the first things first, but we'll jump straight to it. Here it is. So a few things. We'll jump straight to it here. So guys, if you guys got your cameras on, that'd be great, guys. So there's some prizes in here. I think what I want to do is I want to gift someone here two things that I want to gift here. Straight to my slide here is 2 draws. Who here wants free stuff? Wave your hands if you want free stuff. I do want to give away a level 1 investing program valued at $3,000 and a level 1 AI coaching program valued at $3,000. You need to have your cameras on 80% of the time. I'm going to do my best to do this around 90 minutes. It is a webinar. There is an offer that we would love to invite you in, if it makes sense, to see if it's the right fit. That's what it is. But you got to stay till the end for that one. So, guys, if you guys can turn on the cameras, that would be great. Looks like we have like 80% cameras on. That would be great. So, guys, just to qualify myself, that's me. I am from the Philippines. Went to Toronto around 1989. Supposed to go in LA, but I wasn't in LA. Wanted to be full-time in the ministry without the church paying for me, but God had other plans. I ended up working with various retailers, various companies such as Walmart, Home Depot, helping them go from the old systems to the new systems. Wanted to be full-time in the ministry without the church paying for me. Ended up with a crypto dreams that had to do with a fountain, with coins, with a museum. Got Bitcoin. Opened up my first Coinbase account on March 2nd, 2014. I opened up my first Coinbase account on March 5th, 2014. I got Bitcoin at around $500, Ethereum at $15, and I hit $4.56 million and help people be financially free and help people be multimillionaires. Guys, type in the chat. I'm curious if you hold cryptos already. Type in one in the chat. If you have no cryptos, type into my guess is that everyone has cryptos in this meeting. Okay, so just let me know. Unfortunately, I'm not going to focus on basics of cryptos. We are focused on crypto. AI trading bots is the focus in here. Okay, so it looks like there's no 2, right? Everybody's a 1 here. And I've helped people be all around the world. My team and I, we have almost 5,000 contacts 600 plus members, 162 cities affected, 79 countries. I think we generated 55 million, between 55 to 75 million dollars, collectively protecting that as well. And it's just wonderful here. And of course, I know you guys are coming in here. Thank you, Rudy, for turning on your camera. And Jimmy, you guys are probably sizing me up and saying, "Hey, can I trust this guy?" So you know what? Let me just stick in some pictures. If you guys don't know, just type in the chat if you guys know these people. There's Bill Johnson, that's me, and my beautiful daughter Michaela and Ezreal. There's Manuel Johnson. I don't know if you guys know Coach Don. His son is somewhere in the baseball athletic. This is Don Nava. Let me know if you guys know these guys. Bill, Manuel Johnson. This is my mentor Pedro Adeo. Rami Khalil. This is Heidi Baker's right hand man. I apologize, I forgot his name. Will Hart. So let me know if you guys know these guys. There's some non-Christians as well. Richmond Din taught me a little bit of coaching, online coaching. There's Katker. Anybody knows Katker? Brother Brian, anybody here? Type in the chat, guys. Who do you guys know? And all these pictures, type in the chat, making this more interactive. And of course, I took pictures with my members. So hopefully that's enough to say that I'm not a scammer. I am a real guy. I have 7 kids. 7 beautiful kids. My wife, my beautiful wife Asmina, is African Indian French, ordained evangelist, a prophet. I'm actually an ordained pastor. These are pictures of my members. And then of course, this is my beautiful family. Hopefully that's enough for now. Hopefully that to say, hey, this Asian guy's not a scammer or hacker. And you guys can search me straight to YouTube. I've actually changed my YouTube channel name from Minas to straight up Erwin Garcia. So there it is. You can search me out. Go to YouTube, type in Erwin Garcia crypto. And then you're like, hey, I need more, Erwin. I need more. So there it is. You can see me. Obviously, I'm not a YouTuber, but you can see some testimonials and people I work with all over in here, type of situation. So hopefully that's good enough right there. Hopefully I'm qualified for doing this call. Let's get to it, guys. Today's focus is AI trading. Okay, crypto AI trading software, crypto AI trading bots. Let's do it again. Another roll call. I like to say that. Type in 1 in the chat if you know Prophet Manuel Johnson. Just type in 1 in the chat. Type in 2 if you've never heard of him. He is the most prominent crypto asset investment prophet in the world. Okay, I'd love to see if there's any 2s in here. Let me know if that's you, Zoom user. I am seeing some new names: Rudy O, Carol, Harley. Let me know if good. So Danny knows, Carol knows. But let me know, Rudy O, if you have never heard him. You can search him out. Shout out to Mega Praise Ministries. That's it. YouTube. I think everybody knows him, and I think that's why. Does anybody not know him? Type in the chat too. If you don't know him, he is the #1 crypto prophet out there. And many others. And he is the first to prophesy about crypto AI trading bots. Okay, who here has heard of them? Prophesy about crypto AI trading bots? Wave your hands at me. Hey, Robert, you've heard of that? Mike, let me know. HP, Jimmy, Harley, let me know. Google Pixel 8a. So he says these statements on one of his broadcasts: AI trading. This was bigger than any investment God has ever showed me. Okay. AI trading, I'm telling you, that is the key. If you can do that, you won't have to worry about a lot of things. You don't have to worry about the market. Okay, there's only 40,000 users actively doing this worldwide. We're very early on this. Okay, Zion Oil and Gas. Anybody have Zion Oil and Gas? Wave your hands at me. Enjoying that 40 cents. If you got it at 3 cents, you're laughing right now. By the way, that's gonna hit 50 cents, and that's gonna hit $15 sooner or later, above 100 plus. But he said AI trading's #1. Okay, so this is amazing statements he's made. And just for fun, he did say Erwin Garcia, go to his Facebook or now YouTube. I'm gonna add that. And as you let man learn from this guy, he's a man of God. It's not hard. Once you learn it, you'll be making money in your sleep. You'll be making money when you're awake. You'll be making money when you're having a tough day. It won't be that tough. Your AI, I'm serious. Okay. There are people, and I released that prophecy several months ago. Okay, he's the only AI, he's the only prophet I know that's prophesied this. Do let me know in the chat if there's any prophet has started prophesying this. Okay, Danny, congratulations at 3 cents. My community, my members have got that price as well, and I myself has got that. Okay, he says here several months ago, nobody knew what I was talking about. I didn't know what I was talking about because I heard a download. God gave me that download about AI trading, and Erwin Garcia found it. We found it. In fact, anybody that likes gold and silver, wave your hands. Gold and silver. I found gold commodities trading bots, and it's been doing 20%. Who is excited about that? Okay, Canadian. I think that's, I don't know if it was HP, that's in Ontario. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's not today's focus. We found that as well, and I believe there's going to be many more. AI trading, this was bigger than any investment has ever shown me. So, guys, this is it. AI right now will be the biggest wealth transfer in history. So, it looks like everybody knows Manuel Johnson here. Okay, everybody knows Manuel Johnson here. That's good. So this is good. This should be a really good call, guys. I don't bite. Turn on your cameras, especially my team members. That'll be great. So I love my son Ezreal who made this slide. This is it. Can someone put that up there? AI trading. I'm telling you, that is the key. If you can do that, you won't have to worry about a lot of things. Imagine having a Bitcoin tree. Okay, people want to buy Bitcoin, but how would you like to produce Bitcoin? Wave your hands at me if you want to produce Bitcoin. Wave your hands at me. Who here wants to produce Ethereum? Who here wants to produce gold, silver, Zion oil? That's what my community is doing. That's what I'm doing. And this is it. You will not have to worry about a lot of things. You don't have to worry about the market. Guys, this works when the market goes up, market goes down, market goes sideways. It even works in Black Swan event. Here's proof. The October 10th tweet that Donald Trump made Bitcoin drop from 126,000 to 107. No problem. AI trading went business as usual. Stopped. I think I was testing this and it actually restarted all over again. That was so cool. So that's cool. Stop. Certain things it stopped and then it just restarted. AI trading. This was bigger than any investment the guy showed me. Guys, better than Bitcoin, better than Ethereum, better than XRP, better than Zion oil and gas, better than gold, better than silver. Who here wants to use AI trading to make more Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Zion oil and gas, gold and silver? Wave your hands at me or type in me in the chat. Better than businesses, guys. Better than real estate, paper assets, stocks, retirement funds, collectibles. Use AI trading to get more businesses, to get more real estate, paper assets, stocks. Use that for cash flow. AI trading cash flow to get and generate more of this. Okay, once you learn it, you'll be making money in your sleep. You'll be making money in your awake. You'll be making money on tough day. It won't be that tough with your AI. Making money at 3 in the morning, proof. Making money at 6 in the morning, proof. Making money at 1 in the morning, proof. Making money at 1 in the morning, making money 5 in the morning. So guys, 24/7. Type in the chat, 24/7, nonstop. My members, no loss. The only loss is human error. Human error. I have no complaints, no loss to date since last year. It's been 3 years for this, but like when people started heavily running this, no loss. It's just by human error. So that's amazing. AI trading right now is the top. Who here thinks gold and silver? This is out of date. This is out of date. Obviously, silver's up there, guys. Type in the chat, secret hidden treasure. Secret hidden treasure. Just type in the chat, hidden or secret. AI trading. Okay. Like gold, silver is amazing. Nvidia is amazing. You get more of that using AI trading. Okay. So here's some proof of it running. We have proof that it's been running since 2022, purely profitable, multiple profit, multiple data, multiple members. So here's some screenshots of April 2024, perfect month. May 2024, perfect month. November, perfect month. One day, perfect month except for one day. Perfect month. 1 day red. 2 day red. Okay. Perfect month, 2 day red, 1 day red, perfect month, one day red, perfect month, and then a perfect month. So guys, type in the chat 99.99%. 99.99%. Guys, the AI learns. So 99.9% is just amazing. Okay, so guys, what else did I want to show here? Okay, I think I wanted to show, you can see here some of the screenshots. Topman made 1,442 in 1 day. one day. I believe this is a $1 million account. $1,000. Okay, this is amazing. I think I said fresh data, multiple accounts. So we have multiple accounts. We can see Lion Lee running nine bots, 9 AI trading software. We can see Lion Lee 9. There it is. I believe this person's running $100,000 accounts. You can see here 7,000, 7,000, 700, 7,700, 7,600, 6,700, 7,600, 6,700, 6,700, 6,300, 6,200, 5,000. It depends, guys. Type in the chat. Depends on coins. Okay. Depends on coins, timing, capital, all of that. Okay. Straight up on the bat, I want to tell you guys it's around 5%. Okay. 5% minimum, upwards to 30%. We can see this go up to 30% per month. Who here likes to make 30% per month? Wave your hands at me. This is amazing. 30% per month. You can see that. We've seen that happening. Another person, Eugene Yang. I believe this is more of like a $50,000 account around there. 9 accounts. Okay. So you can see that 2K, 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 1.9, 1.8K, 1.8K, 1.7, 1.6, multiple accounts, 1.5K. Okay, good. This is it. That is my 60-minute intro on to turn an AI crypto software into a fully optimized wealth engine in. I'm going to update this because now it's not just 2 weeks. It could go between 2 to 4 weeks or less without trading, especially for Americans. Experience or risking your lifestyle for smart investors, high net worth entrepreneurs, business owners who wants borderless wealth, time freedom, and legacy security. This is some AI pictures, printing money, printing cryptos, printing silver, printing gold. Guys, type in the chat. Digital mine, digital mines. There it is. Digital mines. Okay. We're working on this now to say, hey, you got a digital mine producing Bitcoin, producing Ethereum, XRP, gold, silver. It's just so cool. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. How I help smart investors, high net entrepreneurs, and business owners turn an AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine in 2 to 4 weeks or less without learning to trade, watching charts, or risking their lifestyle. So, guys, I think I did this. The results, guys, will vary. Okay, guys. Past results doesn't dictate or guarantee future results. Okay, I can say this now slowly but surely of a 99.99% success rate. We've been seeing this. It's just human error is when you have the loss, whether you lose in an hour or in a day, but you just recover. But it's like usually it's just human error. The drawdowns was around 10%, but the AI software has been improving. Guys, type in the chat. Improved drawdowns. If you don't know what that means, it's like, hey, instead of you seeing 10% a day loss, you can see now, I think we're seeing 1 to 2% day loss, and it just recovers. Okay, so results vary. Whether you're going to get $751 in 30 days, or in 30 days you get $1,000, or in 90 days you make $3,900, whether lifetime you make $178,094, $2,000, $26,000. It all varies on the coins you pick, how much capital you have, right? 25. Once again, you guys can type this in the chat. Around 5%. Okay, so we're seeing 5 to 30%. We've seen 5 to 30. Okay, 5 to 30% per month. Okay, that's really cool, right? So you can see here some screenshots of various users. You can see here literally from 347K to 120K, depends. Like these are people who started this early. More screenshots, $10,000 account up there making funds. Faces of our various members, projections of our various members. I don't want to bore you guys. Quick study. So this is it, guys. The new AI-driven wealth engine that's reshaping how smart investors, high net entrepreneurs build, protect, and multiply capital without being a trader. Who here wants to be an amazing steward of money? Wave your hands at me. I want to be a great steward of money. I don't know if everyone's a believer here. Did anybody come here from Facebook ads? Let me know if you came in from Facebook ads and you're not a believer Christian. No problem. This is also for you. Let me know if there's any unbelievers here, guys. No problem. I have no problem if you swear, if you drink, or guys, if you do you. I am expecting the unbelievers in this webinar as well. You don't have to highlight yourself like I don't believe in Jesus. That's fine. There'll be a day. We're hoping that you'll encounter him one of these days. Okay. All right. So this is for everybody. This is for everybody, including this is. I believe the Lord wants us to share this, not just for Christians. In fact, the users of the 40,000 users are mostly non-Christians. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so this is it. The one belief you must have. If I can show you how to leverage a fully passive hedge fund grade AI crypto soft trading software set up for you in under 48 hours. Okay, this is for Canadians. If you're Canadian, I think that's you, HP. Guys, type in the chat which nationality are you in there. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys Canadian, American, South American, South African, Australian? Type in the chat. I'd love to know. The Americans, unfortunately, I have to take you to Mexico now. Okay, there's no more Palau solution, so now it's 2 to 4 weeks. But and Robert, I think England as well. But if you're Canadian, we can set you up in 40 hours. That's already producing consistent compounding profits in real accounts without you watching charts, learning core code, or risking compliance headaches. You'll see there's no smarter way to grow and protect your wealth in today's economy. It's like the Americans here. All right, from zero to fully operational hedge fund grade AI trading in around 2 weeks. Your digital Palau or your Mexico temporary residence, premium AI bot configurations, and profit compounding strategy set up 100% for you in just 48 hours after ID approval. Okay, after the Palau, actually, sorry about the Palau now. For the Americans, it's now the Mexican temporary residence. Okay, all right. So my goal for this webinar, the only way for you to consistently multiply your capital in crypto with hedge fund level precision is through our Minas AIM system. Okay, what does AIM stand for? Write that in your notes. Automated investment machine. Okay, I like that, the AIM. Automated investment machine system, a fully managed AI optimized trading system that adapts in real time. I gotta see more cameras. Toby, I think someone's looking for you at the door. Someone's looking for you. Your friend, Toby, knocking. Someone's knocking. Check, check. The only way for you to unlock that level of performance without years of trial, error, and losses is through our flagship core offer stack. There is an offer after this where we configure, launch, and compound your AI trading software for you in under 48 hours. Okay. I think I showed you guys the history of this. I don't want to bore you guys this. I always felt like I want to paraphrase this and make this so real because there's all these notes. I will talk about this plan, but this is it. Literally, my goal, guys. Type in the chat if you have all the time in the world, all the money in the world. What do you see yourself doing every day for free? Okay, type in the chat if you have all the time in the world, all the money in the world. What do you see yourself doing every day for free, guys? If you guys could type that in the chat, let me know. So we'll wait for that. This is it. As you guys begin to type, you guys can listen to me. My desire is to remove the money roadblock, to get rid of the money blocker, to get rid of the money limitations. Okay, Robert wants to feed the poor. I believe, Robert, we solve world hunger. So then I was just talking to people here, America. I'm like, hey, you set up your first $27,000 bot. Hey, you can get $1,000 per week for life. Okay, then you set up another one. But instead of $1,000, how about that producing Bitcoin? How about we give that to the third world country, feed the poor? And this is what's happening now in the academy. So feeding the poor. What else? Your service to others. Jimmy, that's it. The ability to travel anywhere, help people, service others, no limitations, as much ads as you want, as much travel as you want, as much staff as you want. We're in these days, a well-known prophet Chris Valton says, we're in the golden age, guys. Type in the chat, guys. Golden age wealth. Okay. Not only is the prophetic back now and the healing grace is back, I believe the wealth grace is back. Okay. Harley, share the blessings. So Mike, no more Palau. It is now Mexico. Unfortunately, it's too late now. It's all Mexico. Okay, golden age wealth. This is it, guys. Hardly donate to ministry, guys. It's like overflowing wealth. We're gonna be in the days where silver is gonna be like, what is silver now? Like it's getting to that piece right now. Okay. Um, okay. So Robert, we'll get into that one. I think the what I'm trying to say, Robert, yeah, we'll get into back into that one. Okay. All right. So this is it, guys. The three-part plan, simple. Secure your global identity using, I didn't update the slides. This is supposed to be Mexico. It's going to be Mexico, Mexico temporary residence. Then that's it. Once you have that, this is mostly for Americans, Canadians. You don't need this first piece. We deploy your bot for you in 48 hours. That's it. And then we compound, and that's it. A three-part plan. Okay, so that's it. Should I read this? I'll skip over this because we'll just jump to it because I think I'm falling behind the slide. So this is it, guys. Had your dream of having your capital work for you 24/7, compounding like the ultra wealth. Put back my slides. Wealthy without being glued to screens. Okay, if you've tried trading or bots before and it didn't work, it's not your fault. Most systems are outdated, unproven, or not adaptive. Guys, type in the chat. AI adapts. AI adapts. AI adapts. Our AI trading software adapts. That's why the drawdown is no longer 10% back in the days. We're now seeing 1 to 2%. It's just amazing. Okay. If you don't want to gamble, guys, we don't gamble here. We don't chase big wins and all of that. This is low risk thing that we're doing here. Okay. We have data proving no loss since 2022. No loss because the only loss is human error. This is where we come in. Okay. There's no gambling. Your wealth or risk compliance headaches. You need safety, precision, and certainty. You suspected that free bots and guru strategies don't actually deliver, and you're right. They aren't built to hedge fund standards. The traditional financial system and old school trading methods are rigged to keep you stuck while institutions profit with AI. Okay, so this is it, guys. Instead of learning to trade, instead of paying all of this trial and error, guys, we got data backing up 3 months. Okay, let's go here. 3 years, my bad. 3 years. Here's the data. We got data backed up for 3 years, $74 million generated. Data backup. Our top users of this AI trading software, 1.8 million, 1.6 million, 970,000. We have data backing us up for 3 years, 2022, 23, 24, 25. Okay, because 2022 was December. Okay, so we have like almost 3 years plus of data backing this up. Okay, so there it is. What else? Okay, skip that. This is it. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna go through 3 secrets. I said 90 minutes. We're already 30 minutes, so this is supposed to be another 60 minutes. This is it. 3 secrets, webinar format to talk about the crypto AI trading software, the crypto or bots. I use bots. Guys, get up in the chat. Bots equals software. Bot software. Bot software. So bots software. Bots software. Same thing. Bots. Okay, so this is it. The secret number 1 is the AI wealth vehicle. How to turn a free AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street access. Secret number 2. Okay, you're like doubting yourself, doubting your internal beliefs. And we're gonna break off that. How to profit from crypto AI bots. Even if you failed at investing before, don't understand technology, guys. 99.99% success rate. Okay, once again, the only loss that we're seeing is human error. Who likes that? Who here likes a nice 99.99%? Human error, whether you didn't listen to us, you did something wrong. To date, we have no loss. The only loss is human error. Okay, to date. I mean, I'm getting to the point where I'm like, hey, maybe I'm going to start backing this up. I'll talk about that in the end, where we're backing this up, where we'll give you the program free if there's any loss that's happening now. Slowly but surely, subject to change. But what I'm trying to say is there is no loss. In fact, they even back this up. I'll talk about that. But I'm saying it's 99.9% stock, 99.9% success rate. Only like point whatever 1%. It's a human error, but it's so easy. Internal beliefs. And lastly, same thing. 3 years, guys. The 4-year cycle where we've weathered that. Okay, let me go to Bitcoin rainbow chart real quickly. This thing has been around since 2022. Okay, there it is. 2022 December. Okay, so this has weathered the storm from 19. You know what? Should I do it? I should do it so it's easier. Okay, sorry, guys. Don't be overwhelmed with the trading chart, please. Hopefully, okay. Um, okay, so let's see this real quickly. All right, so this thing has weathered the storm since 2022. So this is it. This proved itself. So you guys can visualize this. Okay, this proved itself on December 2022. Whoop, right here. Bam. Okay, so this is kind of like too light. Let's make this lighter. There it is. Okay, so from December 2022 to today, the AI trading software has been running almost nonstop with zero losses. When I say zero losses, there's a drawdown and it recovers. So what am I trying to say? It weathered when Bitcoin was 15,000 and all the way down, all the way to 30, down to 15, all the way down to 70, down to 50, all the way down to 126, down to 70. It's gone through all of this. Okay, who think that's amazing? Who here thinks 3 years is enough proof? Wave your hands at me. Who here thinks 3 years is enough proof? I am so sorry, guys. You guys didn't tell me I'm sharing the wrong screen. I am showing the wrong screen. Okay, this is it. Sorry, guys. What I'm trying to say is, oh, look at that. That was cool. Let's do that again. Ooh, 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 ooh. So there it is, guys. The AI trading software has performed between the 16 to 126,000. That's amazing with that kind of track record. Okay, let's go back here. So with that being said, secret 3, external safety net proven. Market dips, market up, flash crash, flash dip, increase, all of that good. Okay, so let's go here. You guys ready? Wave your hands at me. Ready? You ready, Robert, Denny, Google Pixel, Harley? I apologize. Google Pixel. Type in the chat. My members, my team leads will change your names. Cheryl's here. Thank you, Cheryl, for dropping by. So here it is, guys. This is it. Secret number 1, guys. We're early. 40K people. Super early. How to turn an AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade without wealth engine, without trading guesswork or Wall Street access. This is it, guys. I've been looking for this. I believe after being faithful in teaching people how to invest in crypto since 2014, teaching people to trade, learning from the gurus like Tika, Patreon sites, watching YouTube, BitBoy, all of this is like all my investment in Bitcoins, Ethereums, and my time. And now I want to share people this. I want to share people how to be financially free. And this is it. I believe the Lord rewarded us after being faithful with investing, faithful with trading. Now the Lord has given us AI trading. Okay, so I love investing. I still do it. I still teach it. I teach trading, which is good. By the way, it's amazing. AI trading is amazing as well. Okay, so here it is. So some results. This is outdated, guys. I think this is last year's slide. I didn't update it yet. BTC King. User results were names are by username to protect members, users. Before was skeptical about crypto AI trading, thinking they required advanced trading knowledge. After using the crypto AI trading software, generated $20,407 in profits. Top 600 worldwide in performance metrics, confidently leveraging automation to grow wealth passively without watching charts. Okay, so another one here, Coder, looking for a way to grow capital through automation instead of manual trading. After using the crypto AI trading software, accumulated an impressive $120,093 USDT in profits as a stable coin. Top 40 global ranking on the platform, confidently compounding wealth while freeing up time to focus on higher value opportunities outside of trading. HS, like many, HS wanted to participate in crypto without being glued to charts or worrying about high risk. After using the crypto AI software, trading software, generated an impressive 131. Who here wants to make six-figure profits with this crypto AI trading software. Wave your hands at me, like six-figure. This is amazing, guys. Ranked 35 globally among investors leveraging AI trading. Enjoys consistent growth, peace of mind while using automation to scale wealth securely. And now some people here. D. So there are some members. We have to protect them. So like we're starting to slowly protect them. D. Writer from San Diego, has traveled, lived in many places such as PNW, China, Germany, France, England, Southern California. Just want to highlight APR annualized of 220%. Testing it out in there. LK loves people, loves God, loves engaging heavens and mysteries of God, musician, designer, minister in music, healing, deliverance, prophetic, dream training. She did 163% APY. Obviously, the results will vary. Amazing. I'm going to play Dean's testimony. Here it is. I apologize because he requested for his voice and his face to be protected because he's speaking too much. All right. So here it is. Let me play Dean if I can find it. Here it is. Here we go.
My name's Dean. I'm part of Minas Academy. That in with the start with foundations and now in trading and legacy masters. Just wanted to give a shout out to Erwin and Asmina and the rest of the team. Tools that you'll learn in Minas Academy are incredible. Just from, my start with understanding Crypto 101, crypto cycles, timing, protection of your, crypto using anti-phishing software, defense versus offense, how to trade, tools to use, research. I just also want to say the community is fantastic with everybody in there. Whether you're a Christian or not, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And enjoy being there, and have enjoyed it. So you'll learn a lot, you'll learn quickly, and everybody will help prop you up, and it's all good. So we'll see you in there.
So there's Dean's testimony. We got LK. Let me play LK's testimony.
Hi, everybody. Blessing to you all. And I just want to make a short testimony. And I have been part of the Minas Academy course. Erwin is very good in walking us through the process, how to set up the bot and discuss the strategy. And it's actually very simple and easy to do. So if you're concerned that you're not tech savvy, there's no problem, and everybody can do it.
Awesome. Okay, what else do I have in here? I think I got Hector. So some of them are okay to show their faces, so that's good to hear as well for Hector. So let's see here. Okay.
Greetings to everyone in Minas Academy. My name is Oso. I just want to share a little bit of my testimony, how I got into the Minas Academy. And for a while, Erwin was doing like 5-day challenges, and I just kept watching them. Even though I've already watched a lot of them, and I already knew about crypto, and for about 4 years already, and started investing. But then I wanted to go up higher, And so anyways, one day when he was talking about trading bots, all that got my attention right away, because like I said, I wanted to start learning on trading and trading bots. And so let me show you a little bit of my screen and show you what I've done. This is how much I made for 30 days, and I'm excited because I think I'm going to start making more monthly, and it's at least I started, So, but what's nice about the Minas Academy, apart from everything else, is like we pray for each other. There's daily prayers. There's Bible verses. We're talking about wisdom and wealth. He has special speakers come in. He also has his wife on Wednesdays, and which is nice because it lifts everybody spiritually. She teaches, and just to let you know, it's like I'm getting a lot of confidence in trading and feeling prepared for this wealth transfer. So, but let me tell you this, everybody: if you want to learn crypto, grow in faith, and you want to join a community that wants you to succeed, check out Minas Academy. You won't regret it.
Amazing. Thank you, Hector. Let me see what else we have here. I think we got Susan.
My next spot
Susan.
yesterday was, I guess, buy-in. And I think I think there was one bit get bought that was selling and the others were buying, even though all four were, that is, the current price was within the parameters of all four, but 3 of them were red and 1 was green.
Sorry, that's a little bit too fast. How many green and how many red?
1 was green and 3 were red.
3 were red. So what we can do is, all I had in mind as well is to review the numbers. So if I can see the numbers, that would be great. Because as the profits are making, you can actually cash out the profits. And I do want to highlight this, that what's amazing is they're guaranteed to be green. Does that make sense? So as the price, if this is your range of your bot, as the price goes here, it's all green, guaranteed. Does that make sense, Susan? If it's somewhere in here, definitely if it's down, if the price is below the range, that's a guaranteed red. And then of course, if it's somewhere here, depending on where it is, going up and down, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, it could be green. It also depends on where you enter, right? Where did you enter at that range, at that price? Does that make sense, Susan? Awesome. Let me see here what else I have. Guys, this pretty much works for everyone here, whether you're busy entrepreneur, smart investor, high net worth individual, crypto newcomer, professionals, global citizens. So guys, let me break off some beliefs. Sometimes there's like, I don't understand. I just need to break off certain beliefs in here. So let me believe David, from gambling to guiding growth, crypto is just luck and gambling. David's realization is discovered that AI trading software followed proven strategies and not chance, saw steady compounding returns with clarity and peace. Okay, Sarah, the timestamp entrepreneur, I don't have time to trade or watch chart. Her AI trading software ran 24/7 while she focused on her business, added a new stream of income without sacrificing her schedule. Okay, so John here, the Wall Street outsider, wealth building is only for the elite. Realization is AI levels the playing ground. No broker or insider access needed. Results, his small start grew into hedge fund like performance. Guys, everyone type in the chat. Start with seeds. Start with seeds. Start with seeds. So just type in the chat. Start with seeds. A lot of people want the fruit. Got to start with the seeds, okay? Whether in the community, people are starting off with 100. Some people are starting off with 1,000. Some people are doing 10,000. Some people are doing, some users are doing 100,000. Some people are doing 1,000,000. Guys, type in the chat. Just start. Just start. Just start. Everybody wants the 1,000,000, but guys, just start is key, okay? Hannah, fear of losing everything. The markets are too volatile. I'll lose it all. The realization is the bot had built-in risk controls and strategy. I keep saying this, 99.99% success rate. This is amazing. Result, grew her account by 30% while sleeping at night in peace. Peter, the non-techie, hopefully one of you guys, this resonates with you. I'm not tech savvy enough to use AI. Realization came, the setup was step by step and guided. We help you guys with my team of coaches. No coding required. Results, confidently running his portfolio with zero tech overwhelm. Ruth, I'm too late. Doubter, I missed Bitcoin early, so it's too late for me. Realization, AI bots profit in any market cycle, bull, bear, or sideways. Result, entered during uncertainty and still grew her wealth steadily. I think I have a few more. Mark here, faith and finance barrier. Crypto doesn't align with my values. Realization, saw it as a stewardship tool for multiplying resources, use growth to support his family and mission causes. Okay. Lydia, the legacy thinker, this won't last. It's just hype. Realization, understood blockchain as the new financial infrastructure, building generational wealth with confidence for kids. Guys, type in the chat. I'm learning this more, guys. Type in the chat. Silent, no hype. Silent, no hype. Why do I want you guys to type in silent, no hype? At first, I'm like so excited about this and I'm hyping this up like crazy. And I'm like, God, this is amazing. This is amazing. And then I realized, guys, sometimes being silent is powerful. Sometimes low risk is powerful. Sometimes behind the shadows, it's powerful. So, guys, I'm thinking more of like, guys, like this is not like meme coin and trading and going crazy. It's like, man, silently 5, 10, 15, 20, 30% per month. Silently, I'll take it if it's 30. I'll take it if it's 5. It's growing. I'll start at 100. I'll start at 1,000. I'll start at 10,000. I'll start 100,000. I'll start a million. It's quiet, whatever you are positionally, right? So I'm like, guys, I'm realizing that more and more. So, guys, this is it. Restating the new belief, undeniable truth. This is it, guys. Here's the truth. While creation is no longer behind Wall Street hedge funds or elite insiders, AI powered crypto trading software aren't gambling. They're built on strategies that have been battle tested, optimized, and proven 3 years, heading for 4 years, 40,000 users running 24/7 with precision no human can match. Okay, 24/7. That's hard. Like, people probably sleep only 6 hours, so they can't even do that. Undeniable truth is this: anyone, no matter your age, guys, who here wants to run this for their kids and grandkids? Raise your hands at me, or nephews and niece. I'm running this. I have 7 kids. So far, I ran it for my first two. My first two has 3 bought each. Okay, my first one, my second one has 3. I'm like, I'm gonna start them off with 3, and then I'm gonna get hit all 7. This is so good. I'm gifting this to pastors and ministry leaders. So that's cool too. By the way, anybody know Dr. Shiva, Prophet Manuel Johnson's wife? Wave your hands to me. You guys know Dr. Shiva? She's running this. She's running this already, and I helped her out running this. So, guys, this is it. This is about trading. Wait, what I said this. Undeniable truth. Anyone, no matter your age, background, or experience, can now harness the same tools that once belonged only to hedge fund. This isn't about trading, guessing, or stressing. It's about letting technology work for you, compounding your capital, protecting your downside, and positioning you for generational wealth. Guys, if you're ready for secret number 2, guys, just wave your hands at me. I know I like planning up. Not really hype here. This internal stuff. You guys okay so far? It's like nice pace. I don't want the fireworks and the lights. If someone's trying to size me up, I learned this to say, hey, is this guy for real or not? Paul talks about it like, oh, he preaches eloquently with words, guys. I got data backing it up. I got people here making this and running it. Like, I believe Isaac's running this. Not sure if Robert's running this yet. Jimmy's running this. Not sure. I think Cheryl's running this. I got my team running this, so this is amazing. So the secret number 2, leading up to secret number 2. So Harley, I'm not sure if you keep raising up your hand. I'll take questions at the end. For now, so we can stay focused on this. Internal beliefs, internal limiting beliefs. This is it. Whether you failed, how to profit from crypto AI trading software, even if you failed at investing before or don't understand technology. This is it, guys. I'm learning now, because the Lord has prepared my team and I to serve mostly American females in crypto investing, in crypto trading. And I've learned, like, guys, I want to, Lord, just make this super simple for people. All right. Investing takes 4 years, but this is amazing because we're getting into the 4th year now. Trading could take 3 years or 3 months. But this, I set up my friend Nathan Riley. Some proof here. I set him up a beautiful. Oh, you guys are gonna see everyone I talk to. That's fine. Let me see, how can I do this? I set him up. Copy. Hopefully, save. Okay, save the downloads. Okay, so I set him up. Simple. $102. $102 and 50 cents. $102.50. So I'm like, hey, let me show you this. He's half. He's Brazilian. His wife is Brazilian. So I hooked him up. I'm like, hey, let's set you up yesterday. He's already up 1%. Okay, so I can share this. Beautiful. Nathan Riley, $100, $102.50. He's already up $103.12. That's almost 1%. Who here wants to make 1% per day? Wave your hands at me. 1% per day. Anybody excited? 1% per day. This is amazing. We've seen 30%. That's 1% per day. And there's proof. Ran him at $102.50. He's already up at 103 That's like the most recent data. So guys, I want to keep things simple for my baby boomers, my Gen Xers, my American, mostly. We got members all around the world. We've seen Japan, South Africa, Australia, Philippines, Africa, all of that, South Africa, South America, all of this. But guys, I just been looking with ChatGPT, AI tools, investing time, trial and error to collapse the time for your results. Who here wants to collapse the time for financial freedom? Wave your hands at me. I want to collapse the time. Okay. Okay. For that, you need leverage, guys. Type in the chat. Type in the chat. Collapse with leverage. Collapse with leverage. Okay. We don't have time for your 60 years. Start saving, get into stocks, do the traditional wealth path. Guys, with AI trading software, we collapse the time. Guys, type in the chat, AI trading leverage. AI trading leverage. This is it. Like, the AI will do the work. You don't need to do the candles. You don't need to be glued in the charts, right? I'm pretty sure, Cheryl, you're not looking at the charts, right? Like, you're not looking at your screens here. You don't need to. You don't need to battle. You don't get frustrated. This is it, right? Some of the results still outdated. Dato, fate, risky. Okay. Believe crypto trading required years of experience in constant monitoring. After using the crypto AI trading software, generated 133,884 USDT in profits, top 40 worldwide ranking, enjoying automated growth with peace of mind, proving that AI powered trading can outperform traditional methods. On God One thought large-scale crypto growth was only possible for hedge funds or professional traders. After using the crypto AI trading software, generated 140,000 to date, 377 when I took the screenshot in profits, top 30 worldwide in overall performance, experiencing exponential returns with automation, proving that everyday investors can achieve results without trading manually. How am I doing on time? Okay, been an hour. Looking at the hour here. Okay, success team. Okay, believe it would take an entire trading team to generate consistent profits in crypto. That was my idea, right? Who here wants traders trading for them 24/7? Like, that's cool. Trade for me. Who here wants unlimited virtual AI traders trading for them 24/7? Wave your hands at me. This is what this is. Okay, it's virtual AI traders software trading for you. Some people have 5, some people have 9. I think to date I have, oh my gosh, I can't even keep track. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Who here wants something like 16 AI traders trading for them? Wave your hands at me. 16. Wow, that's crazy. So let's keep going. After using the crypto AI trading software, generated 664,000 USDT in profits, rank among top 20 worldwide in performance, operating as a true success team powered by automation, proving that AI trading software can outperform manual strategies at scale. Love these people here. I'm not sure if Rose is here. So Rose, retired teacher wanting to prepare wealth transfer to further God's kingdom from New Mexico, achieve around 338% APR. Another one, Rose, 242% APR. Okay. One for Rose. She's amazing. Some examples, guys. 405% APR of my members wins. Here's Hector. You guys saw his video. Beautiful 147%, 157%, 124%. Who here wants to get 3 digits above 99% per year? Like, I want 99 or 100% per year. Wave your hands at me. Like, I want something like that. Like, guys, remember right now we're celebrating what, 4 or 15% per year. Crypto trading, stock trading is around 15%. So this is amazing. 3 figures. This one's 95%, 391%. Just amazing for Hector. I think, let me play Stuart. So you guys, it's good to have some videos here. So here's Stuart.
Hey, my name is Stuart. Big shout out to Erwin Garcia at Minas Academy. I have been part of the Academy now for coming up to 6 months. I'm part of the Advanced Accelerator course, and also I'm in the training course as well. Over the last 6 months, I've seen significant gains financially, with over 5 times my return on investment. In addition, we have just been able to really hear God's voice about what He's looking to do in this season, and just to be part of this wealth transfer time that we're in. And but in addition to that, it's just been great to be part of a group that's just full of integrity, that is combines great biblical teaching with hearing God's voice through the prophetic, and applying just really good, solid wisdom in how we apply that to investing and trading. So if you're interested in seeing God move through you and your finances, whether that be personally or whether that to be invest in the kingdom, I would thoroughly recommend that you come along and that you check it out and that you sign up, and just not for what God can do through you, but also just be part of a great community of people. I think one of the most challenging things about investing or being in business or even pioneering as a whole is just it can be quite a lonely road. And one of the things I love about the course is just that sense of family and belonging, and that we're all in this together. But just a massive thank you to Erwin and the team, and yeah, really excited about what we see God do in 2025.
Awesome. I think we got as well Rose. Rose Sellers, how about you? How's it going with your bots, Rose?
I closed mine out.
Okay.
Okay, because I want to try that reverse.
And did you close when it was all in profit? It was all green.
Oh, yeah, I closed them when they were profiting, and I haven't done anything right now because I was on my phone yesterday with all the classes. My laptop went out, and my technician is fixing it, and so he lent me, or he sold me this one. It's a used Pro Mac Pro.
Cool.
So now I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna use this one for my trading, and I'm gonna use the other one for everything else.
Awesome, Rose. And I think I'm gonna skip Hector. We already played Hector. I'm gonna play Debbie, a little bit of Debbie and Mike. Let me see here. Let me see, find Debbie.
Sure, I'd love to. A little before that, a few months before that, I started really feeling the Lord was talking to me about how to learn about cryptos. I just kept getting cryptos, and my fear was getting finding somebody honest that wasn't going to cheat me, or I was the fear of learning from a good source. And so within a week, I found this ad for the 5 days free, and I'm like, hey, can't lose that. Go do 5 days free. Pray about it, see what the Lord says. And I got right away that this was it for me. And I just want to say, just in these 2 weeks or 2 months alone, we have invested in multiple different streams like he was sharing. I'm so excited. I would never know how to do this. I wouldn't have known how to find these things, and I wouldn't have without being with this team. And I consider these people my family. So it's been great. I recommend it. If you're getting that same confirmation, just, don't hesitate. It's been great. I just look forward to every time we meet, and every new thing he pops in there and says, hey guys, look what we can do. We're all like, yay. So it's been great. As a baby boomer, I really didn't know, and I didn't want to be left behind. I think there's some others of you here too. It's like, with this new digital world, I just didn't want to be left behind if something changed. So I felt like this was a great thing to do. So I love it.
Amazing, Debbie. Thank you for those kind words. All right, I'm gonna play a little bit of Mike.
It's been a very good experience for me. I'm really glad that I joined, because my Coinbase account is just going up bigger and bigger. I'm putting money in. I'm buying different Coinbase, like when it's low, when it's down, I buy. and but it's just getting bigger and bigger. So it's really good. It's really good. So I've learned a lot, and you guys help me a lot. And every time I listen to what's going on here, I learn something new every day. So
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mike. And I'll just play a little bit of Lily as well.
Okay, thank you. I'm just like
We Miss Lilia there. Let's try that again.
Okay, thank you. I'm just like I don't like technology. I don't like computers, anything, but I really like to listen to the Holy Spirit, spend time with God. So around a year ago, I started hearing from
So Coach Famous and Coach John, we have to be careful with the mouse so that the testimonies can finish. Okay, guys?
Okay, thank you. I'm just like I don't like technology. I don't like computers, anything, but I really like to listen to the Holy Spirit, spend time with God. So around a year ago, I started hearing from God about crypto. So I was just, no, it's not for me. I don't like it. But Holy Spirit continue saying to me that. And finally, when I was listening regularly Elijah list. So I saw advertisement and it's clicked with my spirit. I have to do that. So I'm so excited, and when I'm listening to Erwin, I can feel like my spirit is leaping. I feel it's from the Holy Spirit, and community, I feel safe. And recently God is talking to me to focus because I have a lot of responsibilities. Yes, we are in real estate with my husband. So for now, it's challenge to convince my husband. He is really hands-on. So he doesn't want to listen about crypto for now, but I'm still praying and I'm do what I can do. And I believe that God will lead us in the future. I don't know how it will be, but I'm really community. I feel very safe, and it's very nice that I can jump anytime with any questions. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thanks, Yes. Awesome. Guys, I'm falling a little bit behind, so I'm going to go a little bit faster, guys. This is pretty much for everybody, whatever, guys. When I say it's for everybody, it's because if the AI does all the heavy work, so it doesn't matter who you are. A little bit of breaking the beliefs, guys. Let me break some beliefs. This is important, so I will take some time on this, but I might go a little bit faster. Guys, Ruth, the skeptical investor, belief to break. I don't have the discipline or skill to succeed in crypto. The epiphany, Ruth discovered the Minas aim, removes the guesswork. The bot, the AI, crypto AI trading software trades with rules, not emotions. She grew steadily month after month without needing to be disciplined. Deborah, the overwhelmed newcomer, believed to break crypto is just too complicated for me. She realized the system broke things down into three simple steps: the ID, the bot, compound. 3 steps. She grew her portfolio 22% in 3 months, spending less than 10 minutes per day. Okay, so Naomi here, the fearful investor, what if I lose everything? Naomi saw that the risk wasn't eliminated, but minimized through the AIM safeguards like compounding and capital protection. Result, instead of panic, she had peace. Gains came steadily without emotional stress. Anna, the retired professional, I'm too old to learn this. Anna found that she didn't need to learn crypto. The framework automated it. She grew her retirement account by 30% in 6 months without touching charts or tech. So, guys, I'm hoping you guys can resonate with one of these beliefs to break off. Elizabeth, the busy professional, I don't have time for crypto. She realized the Minas aim worked in the background. She only needed to check in occasionally. 25% growth in 4 months while running her business full time. Esther, the cautious investor, I don't trust automation with my money. Esther realized the aim wasn't replacing her control. It was empowering her with oversight and protection. The result, 40% growth in 5 months while still feeling safe. and in control. Leah, the over researcher, I had to do all my own research. Leah discovered the framework and AI condensed what used to take hours into minutes. Results saved 3+ hours a day and still improved results. Martha, the legacy builder, believed to break crypto won't last. It's just a fad. She realized digital wealth creation is here to stay, and Mina's aim is the vehicle to grow it safely. 35% growth in 6 months, now building a long-term legacy portfolio. So guys, let me restate the new belief, the undeniable truth on the secret number 2, internal belief. Wealth creation in crypto isn't about being a tech expert or a perfect investor. It's about plugging into a proven framework that removes overwhelm and lets automation work for you. You don't need to learn every chart, coin, or code. You don't need years of experience, just a willingness to follow a simple framework. Even if you've failed before, success is possible when you remove human error and let automation compound wealth for you. The truth is, it's not about you doing the work. It's about the system working for you guys. I am running out of time. I'm going to try to speed it up a little bit. Secret number 3. Let's jump straight there, guys. External factors. Okay, many people worry about this. What happens in the market? This is pretty much, it's amazing. So I've been doing cryptos, guys. I've seen it all since 2014, 11 years of crypto experience. Since year 2000, 25 years of AI and automation experience. Guys, the time I've spent in all of this, helping people, teaching people. Guys, this is amazing. It's amazing. Who here wants the vehicle that you want? Because God actually loves you. Wave your hands and be like, I want this vehicle, right? So we got the Mercedes Sprinter, amazing 12-seater. Prophet Manuel Johnson prophesied it, all fully paid for. Who here doesn't have to worry about food ever again? And I'm talking about healthy food from the farm. Like, guys, wave your hands at me if you're like, man, this is amazing. Who here wants to travel anytime, anywhere, wherever God puts you in assignment? Guys, this is it. I'm in North Carolina, going back to Orlando, going back to South Carolina, going back to Orlando, going to Toronto, going to Arizona. It's amazing because when you're in the Lord's assignment, the Lord provides. Whoa, that's a good one right there. And of course, just a picture of my family. They're just amazing. The family, the spiritual family you want. So this is it, guys. This external factors, right? I'm like, this is amazing. Crypto investing, amazing. Crypto trading is amazing. It's like there's risk in it. With the AI trading software, the risk is not fully removed, but it's lessened to very, very tiny risk. And we're seeing this with various results. BlackDraw right now believe only professional traders with years of experience. Let me go back here. I think this is outdated. BlackDraw actually has $1.6 million. Okay, so this is out of date. He actually has 1.6. Number two here. So believe only professional traders with years of experience could consistently win in volatile crypto markets. After using the crypto AI trading software, $1.6 million in profit. Number 2. Okay, so he actually took the number 2 spot now, ranking number 2 worldwide, crushing global leaderboards, showing how AI trading software can outperform even the elite traders, unlocking hedge fund style results without stress of manual trading. Master Futures. Let me see if I can find them with the up-to-date one. Okay, Master. Okay, like let's see here. Wow. I think this person lost his spot. Okay, Master Future lost his spot. But anyways, let me see here. I'm trying to do a search to see his recent numbers. I think he changed his name. But anyways, with the screenshot, believe serious crypto profits. Hey, let me see if I can find his picture. Sorry, guys. I'm like, I'm gonna find this guy. Let me see here. Bunny. I think he changed his picture. I think he's now called Wolf 777. I think so. Anyways, here it is. Believe serious crypto profits required years of expertise, nonstop trading, constant monitoring of the market. After using the crypto AI software, who here wants one day 254,000 in USDT profits? Wave your hands at me, guys. So one day to be around these numbers. This is amazing. Ranking number 2 worldwide in performance metrics, position among the global top performers, leveraging AI-powered automation to achieve hedge fund level results without manual trading, guesswork, or burnout. I know I don't want to bore you guys reading this slide. Number 1, Number one is actually Crypto Genius, $1.8 million. But back in the days, it was Leonardo Capitani. Thought only Wall Street insiders and big institutions could generate massive crypto profits at scale. After using the crypto AI, this was last year because they updated the number for this year. So that's just after a whole 1 year results. So he lost the number one spot. Anyways, 347,468 in profits, ranking number one worldwide, now leading the global rankings. I apologize. I will update the slides later on, proving that AI-powered automations can outperform traditional trading, deliver record-breaking wealth creation accessible to everyday investors. Guys, Michael trading for him. 1,000% APR. Wow. Who here wants to achieve that using compound interest? Wave your hands at me. Beautiful. Another one. I didn't get the APR for this one. Oh, 851% APR. Let's keep going. Lisa, 479% grid total annualized, up to 3,000% APR. 1,000% APR. Now we're going 4 digits APR. Who here wants 4 digits APR? Wave your hands at me. Guys, we're at version 1, version 2. We're seeing 3 figures. I believe the 4-figure days per year, not above 1,000 plus per year, is going to be possible now. Okay. Neo, let me see here, 500% APR. Some videos. Guys, I love doing these videos before I play this, is because, guys, post in the chat testimonies for me. Okay, type that in chat. Third, testimonies for me. What does that mean? If God did it for someone else, he can do it for me. Okay, does that resonate with you guys? Like, if God healed that person, saved that person, made that person wealthy, why can't he do it for me? Wave your hands up for me if you guys love testimonies. So guys, give me some time. Here's some testimonies. Oops. Let's try that again. So, Cindy, you're running an exchange. You're running a Pinex account already. So that's good. My goodness, Cindy, yes?
I got 2 going.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Coin. So same thing. She made, look at this. She made 5 profitable trades in today, so far in 24 hours. And in all total, she made 21 profitable trades. And once again, the moment she put in 100 to 119, the moment this surpasses 119, Cindy, this is all profits, right? If you close this right now, obviously you're going to lose this. So that's why do not close this. You just have to be patient. And in this case, that's simple. So thank you for sharing this, Cindy. All right. I think, man, I can find Michael's. I'm kind of missing Michael in here. There's so many more. Let me play Patrice. Oops, I played that already. Let me play Patrice. Patrice here. Challenge 1.
Yes, I was. One day I was by myself.
And then just to let you know, I think you surpassed the 5K award. We're going to award you the 5K award of pure profits, mostly of the liquidity pool. But maybe you can just tell about your experience with the Minas Academy and just share your thoughts, maybe 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. So I started this journey back in, I think, April. I got into it, with Patty. She had told me about it, and I was just like, it intrigued me, and I was just like, all right. And she had, she was talking about you and how, like, trusting, everything. She felt very comfortable with you, and then after listening to you and being in, that first week, I jumped in. It's been great. The Telegram is a wonderful spot. Whenever I've found myself in a little bit of a bind, I can ask a question, and whether it's you, whether it's one of the other members, because I jumped into this, like, not knowing anything. The only thing I had ever really heard of was Bitcoin. And, but even with that, I didn't know anything. But the guidance, all the opportunities, because I'm in the liquidity pool, I'm in the Axe token. I've staked a couple of things, on the exchanges, and then just the whole protection thing how to store your crypto so you don't lose it, and especially where things are kind of going today. So I mean, it's well worth, and again, it's more than a community, it's a family. There are, sometimes some people jump in and say, can you pray for, and I know I've been on that prayer where I had a cousin who they thought could have had a tumor, and there was a whole, a prayer that was said. I can't say enough good things about it. It's well worth it. It's because I couldn't have done it on my own. I would not have, I don't think I could have or would have. So I thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Patrice. That's amazing. Thank you for that testimony. Okay, we got two more. Here's Mike.
No, I simply had a kind of the same experience that Debbie Ridenauer had. I got the thing from God, saying you need to get involved in crypto, and I had no idea. I could barely spell crypto, and then and I'm in a wheelchair and paralyzed on my right side from a stroke. So this is really perfect for me to get into because I have a lot of time to invest. And so Erwin and Dave has been great helping me come along and learn this crypto. And I've learned so much in the short amount of time I've been in it. And I've got NFTs, I'm in the liquidity pool, and it's just, I'm making money already, and I'm amazed. I'm just amazed at how quick this has come about. So yeah, I'm like Debbie. If you feel good about it, and you feel like this is from the Lord, it was for me and it was for her, and I'm sure it's for others. Then put feet first and jump, man. Just jump.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Michael. Wow, so many. I mean, let me go some testimonials on my slide. Thank you so much, Michael, for those kind words. All right, I think we got one more.
Hello. Hope everybody's doing well. I just want to give a short testimony. I joined Erwin on level 3 not too long ago, just a few weeks ago. And just kind of rewind a little bit further back in early 2020, the Lord spoke to me and told me it's time to start investing. And I didn't really know a lot about investing at that time. And so he started showing me. And one of the verses that he spoke to me was 2 Chronicles 2020, and he said this is a key verse for the decade of the 2020s. So this whole 10-year time frame, and it says, believe the Lord your God, and you shall be established. Believe his prophets, and you shall prosper. And so, so I've been doing that and growing crypto accounts and really listening to prophets. But joining Erwin and his team, I love the fact that they take the prophetic words from different prophets and they compile them together and they make strategic plans based on that. It's an awesome plan. Like I said, I joined level 3, and just over a couple of days of running AI bots, I gained $340. And then there's another bot that you can gain XRP and increase physical XRP, and gained 100 XRP. And that was just over a couple of days, $340 extra dollars and additional 100 XRP. So thank you, Erwin. I'm sure as I learn more and deeper on how to AI trade, it'll get more and more, because my goal is not to stop here. I really see this thing doing $1,000 days, $10,000 days, $100,000 days, so we can really grow the kingdom. So thanks. See y'all later.
Awesome. I think that's all the testimony. So guys, a little bit of breaking beliefs, the last one. I know I'm super behind schedule. I apologize already because we were supposed to finish in like 22 minutes or 22 minutes-ish, but let's go a little bit of beliefs to break here. David, if the market crashes, I'll lose. The skeptical trader. If the market crashes, I'll lose everything. David realized bots buy low, sell high automatically, protecting him during volatility. Results earned 12% profit in down market instead of panicking. Sophia, the busy professional, belief to break. I don't have time to watch charts all day. Epiphany, automation work while she worked her 9 to 5. Results compounding 22% growth in 4 months with less than 15 minutes a day. A few more. Raj, the risk averse investor, belief to break is crypto's too unstable. I'll wait until it's safer. The Epiphany was the AI trading software provided consistent low risk returns compared to risky manual trading. Results saw steady 8% monthly gains even during news driven dips. Okay. Maria, the small starter, I don't have enough money to invest. She learned even $20 can be automated into a compounding bot. Turn $20 into a $240 over 6 months without stress. I apologize. I think this is a typo. The minimum now is around 100. We're actually pushing it to 1,000 because it's just better performance. There are some risk when it's around $100 or less. James here. The overthinker, I need to understand every technical detail first. Epiphany AI handles complexity. He just needs to follow the framework, runs 3 bots confidently without being techie. Aisha, the fearful follower of news. Markets and politics are too unstable to invest now. She realized fear-based waiting was costing her compounding opportunities. Results, bots created steady profits regardless of headlines. Guys, Ken, the legacy builder, crypto is a gamble. It won't last long term. The Epiphany, he saw AI trading software as a hedge fund grade system for generational wealth. Result, built the portfolio for his kids, growing steadily even in volatile markets. Olivia, the perfectionist, I'll wait for the perfect market entry. The Epiphany bots thrive in any market, bull, bear. Waiting was the real risk. Finally started in compounding, 35% growth in 5 months. Okay, so guys, this is it. The last secret is the new belief. You don't need perfect timing, permission, or stable market to grow wealth. With crypto AI trading software, volatility isn't a threat. It's a blessing. Okay, you want the ups and downs. So guys, that finishes my 3 secrets: the AI wealth vehicle, how to turn a free AI crypto trading software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street access. Secret number 2, breaking internal limits, how to profit from crypto AI bots, even if you failed at investing before, don't understand technology. And the last secret, external weight safety net, how to safely compound and protect your wealth in crypto, even during market crashes or regulatory shifts. If I follow the crypto AI bot wealth framework, then I can build automated, stress-free wealth that compounds safely without needing trading skills, perfect timing, or market uncertainty. And now I am done the the webinar presentation. And I'm pretty sure you guys are feeling this. Are you guys still here? Isaac is there. Robert's already here. Denny, Carol, not seeing you. Carol's coming. Mike's still here. Zoom user. Nori, Cheryl, thank you for dropping by. Robert, Vinu, Harley's still here. Key West. I think Hartley's already a member. Esther's there. Robert, Rudy. Guys, let me know. I don't know if I'm gonna really do this. Do you guys want more of a step by step or more hand holding and getting in this thing, like the step by step? I think Harley already said I need a coach to help me set this up. I think, Harley, you are a lifer membership of our investing program. I'm not sure if you're part of this program yet. Do you guys want this? Denny saying step by step. Is that my Denny that I know, or is that a different Denny? Anybody else? But already Harley said that. Vinu's there. Hey, Vinu, I can't wait to talk to you guys. If not, I'm good. I'm going for dinner. Who wants more of a step by step? See what my team and I has worked on here. Oh, it's a different Denny. Okay, so Denny, I don't know if I have 1 or 2 or 3 Denny. Okay, Vinu step by step. Okay, guys. So I said there is an offer. I said there is a coaching program, and this is it, guys. Our Minas Automated Investment Machine program. What is this, guys? Give me 30 minutes. Unfortunately, this is 30 minutes to present, just to show you what my team and I has worked on for a done-for-you service offer, Kingdom Irresistible offer to help you. So here it is. I'm doing my best. I'm going to go a little bit fast. Say me if this is you in the chat. Type in the chat. You want a proven, done for me AI crypto system so I don't waste years guessing. You want elite strategies that wealthy insiders use to scale their portfolios. You want a clear roadmap to millionaire status without endless trial and error. Write me in the chat if this also sounds like you. You don't have technical expertise to configure AI systems. I'm worried I'll set it up wrong and lose money. I don't think I can manage multiple bots or strategies on my own. For that, we have the live premium configuration pack. Okay, we have 3 AI strategies. We have them all ready to set this up. Bull AI, it's called that AI Strategy Millionaire 9. To replicate this, you need trial and error plus insider access. Replicating these strategies and configuration would take years of study, tens of thousands in mistakes and insider connections that aren't publicly available. You'll get your AI trading system professionally configured with Bull AI precision backed by 9 Millionaire 9 strategies. This ensures your setup is optimized for maximum compounding, risk reduction, and scaling into high net worth wealth brackets. Okay, some testimonies from Robert W. I had no idea how to set up bots, but this configuration pack, gave me a millionaire level system in days, not years. Faster setup of millionaire strategies, easier risk management, better long-term compounding results, step by step, or done for you. Premium configuration eliminates tech overwhelm. Without this, you'll spend years and likely lose thousands trying to figure bots yourself while missing the biggest wealth window of this decade. This premium pack is essential for anyone serious about reaching millionaire status with AI trading. The live premium configuration pack, Bull AI Strategy Millionaire, is a value of $34,497 value. In our Minas AIM program, you're going to get this configuration pack valued at $34,497 in value, a total value of $34,497. Now that you have this item, you now have a premium AI system set up like the wealthy insiders. What about the next step? Now you need the global trading profile to actually access these markets. Americans don't have access to this. Canadians do, and non-Americans. Write me in the chat. This sounds like you. This is you. You want global identity to unlock new markets. You want frictionless access to international trading accounts. You want security, legitimacy for a wealth building journey. But this also sounds like you. Write me in the chat. You don't understand how global IDs work. Isn't this too complicated or risky? I'm not sure I'll qualify for international platforms. For that, we have the Mexico. Okay, this is now Mexico. No more Palau. Mexico fast track global trading profile setup. This takes legal connections, compliance, navigation, global expertise that most investors can't access on their own. Will fast track your Mexico temporary residence access and set up your global trading profile so you can trade internationally, access unique crypto opportunities, and operate with legitimacy across borders. I've never thought I'd be able to open a global account. This made me feel like a true global investor. Sharon L. testified. Faster account access, better compliance, easier international scaling. We handle the assistance of the paperwork and setup for you. Without this, you're locked into domestic restrictions. America, you don't have access to this, and miss global opportunities worth millions. Global market access is the difference between local profits and global wealth. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile setup is a value of $4,997. With our Minas AIM coaching program, you get the premium pack configuration value of $34,497. The Mexico, I apologize, I didn't get a chance to update the slide. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile setup valued $497, a total value of $39,494. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Now you have global access. What else? You need bots fully deployed so your capital compounds automatically. Write me in the chat. This is you. You want your bots up and running immediately. You want zero downtime between decision and execution. You want professionals to handle deployment so I don't make mistakes. I did one yesterday. I'm about to do one today. This also sounds like you. Write me in the chat, and my coaches are doing this almost daily. I don't think I can set up bots correctly. I'm worried I'll waste money on wrong configurations. I'm not tech savvy enough to do this in under 2 days. The 48 full bot deployment service. Okay. Any Canadians here, we can set you up in 48 hours. Any non-Americans here, potentially we can set you up in 48 hours. Without expert help, bot deployment can take weeks or months of trial, risking costly errors. Our team deploys your bots within 48 hours, ensuring your system is live, optimized, and compounding wealth from day one. So once again, this is after you get that ID, 48 hours. If you're non-American-ish, 48 hours. If you're Canadian, 48 hours. Okay. Because the Mexico is around 2 to 4 weeks. Okay. I was up and running in 2 days flat. I've tried on my own. I'd be stuck watching YouTube videos. David H. Faster, better, asymmetric, faster deployment, better bot performance, easier wealth compounding. We deploy it all. Done for you. You simply watch your dashboard go live. Every day without deployment is missed compounding growth. Immediate deployment means your portfolio compounds today, not someday. The 48-hour full bot deployment service is a value of $4,597 in value. You get the configuration pack, value $34,497 value. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile setup, valued $4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, valued at $4,597 value. Total value of $44,091. Now you have bots running 24/7. Now you need a blueprint to scale and safely compound wealth. Write me in the chat if this is you. You want your wealth to multiply safely and consistently. You want simple path to financial freedom. You want protect my gains while growing long term. Write me in the chat. This also sounds like you. I don't know how compounding works with bots. I'm afraid of reinvesting profits incorrectly. I've never had a proven system for long-term wealth. For that, we have the compounding blueprint. And let me take 30 seconds on this compounding. Okay, who here got Bitcoin at $15,000? We moved that over to XRP at 50 cents. Who here got XRP to $2.50? So from almost 10x times 5x, that's 50x. Who here got Zion Oil and Gas at 3 cents to 24 cents? So now our compounding varies from 300 to 500x multiplier. We're about to reach the 1000x multiplier. That's the whole idea of compounding. Okay, so this knowledge comes from years of trial, real-world data, multi-million-dollar investor experience, a step-by-step blueprint showing you how to compound your crypto safely, multiply profits, and protect your wealth long-term. I've tried for years to compound effectively. This blueprint gave me clarity and confidence to grow without fear. Susan T said, faster, better, easier metric, faster compounding cycles, better growth rates, easier long-term wealth. Looks like my 90 minutes is over. Sorry, guys. I apologize. There are replays if you have to go. But stay tuned, guys. I'm still giving out 2 programs, 2 of my investing program and my AI program after this. Simple, repeatable blueprint removes confusion. Without this, your profits plateau and your long-term wealth stalls. This is the missing link between small wins and generational wealth. The compounding blueprint is a value of $7,597 value. For our Minas AIM coaching program offer, you're going to get the configuration back value at $34,497 value. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile setup, $4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service valued at $4,597 value. The compounding blueprint valued $7,500 value. A total value of $51,688. Got more, guys. Now you know how to compound safely. You need an ongoing elite mentorship to stay on track. Guys, type in the chat, average of 5. Average of 5. Type that in the chat. What does that mean? You are the average of the 5 people you mostly hang about. Okay, so if you hang out with the lower class, you'll probably be in the lower class. Nothing not knocking that down. I was lower class. If you're hanging out with the middle class, not knocking them, I was middle class. You're probably gonna stay middle class. If you're gonna stay with people with poverty mindset, you're going to get poverty mindset. If you're going to hang out with gym rats, you're going to probably be gym rat. If you're going to stay with sick people, you're probably going to get sick. So guys, if you want to be in the wealth transfer in AI trading, you probably want this piece, which is, write me in the chat, this sounds like you. You want to surround yourself with elite AI investors and traders. I want real-time mentorship and proven strategies. You want accountability so that I don't fall back into old habits. This also sounds like you. Write me in the chat. You don't know if you'll fit in with elite AI investors and traders. You're worried this will be too advanced for you. I've joined groups before that didn't deliver. For that, we have the 12-month elite AI VIP Traders Club membership. Access to top-tier mentorship and elite peers isn't available outside high net worth circles. A 12-month private membership with direct access to elite AI traders, inside strategies, ongoing support to keep you scaling. Okay, this community was worth the price alone. I finally feel like I belong with the elite. Mark D said, faster, better, easier metric, faster growth, better strategies, easier accountability. Plug into mentorship and peer accountability instantly. Without this, you'll lose momentum and drift back to old patterns. So guys, here's another example. My children do not do public school. My children do not do Catholic school. My children doesn't even do Christian private school. They do Kingdom entrepreneurship, online school, and guess what's going to happen? They're going to be kingdom-minded entrepreneurs changing the world. 4-day school week, Right, Toby? Right, Michaela? This is amazing. Why? Why did I choose that? Because that's who I want them to be. Okay, so this is amazing. Elite mentorship is the difference between short-term wins and long-term wealth. This 12-month Elite AI VIP Traders Club membership is a value of 12,997 value. Now you're gonna get in our Minas AIM coaching program offer the premium configuration pack value at 34,497 value. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile Setup valued at 4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service valued at 4,597. The compounding blueprint valued at 7,597. The 12-month Elite AI VIP Traders Club membership valued at 12,997 value. The total value of 64,685, guys. That's not the coach, the price of the program. Stay tuned. I'm about to reveal that because some people get confused. Like, this is $64,000. It should be, but it's not. Okay. So, guys, if all did this was to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap to crypto wealth, would it be worth it? If all did this was eliminate the confusion you had around investing in cryptocurrencies, would it be worth it? If all did this was to help you align your finances with a purpose and finally see growth in your investments, would that be worth it? So, guys, you now have Elite mentorship. Let me help you out with some bonuses. You guys want some bonuses? Wave your hands to me. Bonuses. Let's go. Here it is. You're ready to lock in the complete crypto legacy system. Let me give you some bonuses, guys. Here it is. You want lifetime strategies to leave a legacy for your family. You want access to timeless lessons that don't expire with market shifts. You want on-demand education I can revisit anytime. Write me in the chat. This also sounds like you. You bought courses before and never finished them. You're worried it won't stay relevant long term. You don't want theory. I need practical strategies. For that, we have the Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass. Years of collected strategies, millionaire interviews, insider lessons that can't be pieced together outside of this vault. Lifetime access to this Crypto Legacy Vault, a masterclass library covering compounding risk, global strategies, AI tactics to build generational wealth. So we talk about precious metals, we talk about real estate, we talk about tax strategy, we talk about a lot of things in here. All of this fun stuff. This vault is my wealth library. I visit it whenever I face a market shift. It always has the answers. Janet K says, faster access to proven wisdom, better clarity in uncertain times, easier, repeatable results. Always available, bingeable, or step-by-step at your pace. Without this, you rely on fleeting advice and miss timeless strategies that create legacies. Legacy level wealth building is impossible without consistent wisdom to guide it. Guys, type in the chat, buy wisdom, get wisdom. Okay? Wisdom is even more precious than cryptos, more precious than AI trading. Okay, so the guys, there he is. Lifetime access to Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass, throwing that in, a value of 4,997 value. Actually sold this for 4,997 value. Now in our coaching program of the Minas AIM offer, you're going to get the premium pack, 34,497 value. The Mexico Fast Track Global Trading Profile Setup, 4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, 4,597 value. The compounding blueprint, 7,597 value. The 12-month Elite AI VIP Traders Club membership, 12,997 value. The lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass, value at 4,997 value. A total value of 69,682. Now you have lifetime strategies. What about, I love this one. What about protecting your wealth daily? Okay, I created this because I'm like, how do I protect me first? Me first. How do I protect the thousands and the millions in the exchange? How do I protect that for my team, my family? Well, how do I protect this for my members? So this is where the 24/7 AI risk management comes in. Write me in the chat. This is you. You want peace of mind knowing your $100,000, $1 million portfolio is protected around the clock. You want AI defense against volatility and sudden losses. You want a system that guards my money without me watching charts. But if this also sounds like you, write me in the chat. AI can't really protect against all risk, can it? I'm worried I'll still lose in a crash. I don't understand how AI risk management works. For that, we have the 24/7 AI risk management guardian. This is an AI watching you. We're in beta testing, and a human, okay, beta testing, monitoring your accounts. Okay, so like if there's some weird things, hacks about to happen, it's going to be a proactive warning. Okay, developing this level of AI monitoring system would cost tens of thousands and years of coding, which I've done. Okay, an AI powered guardian that monitors your portfolio 24/7, adjusting for volatility, spotting risk, and minimizing losses automatically. I sleep better at night knowing my portfolio has AI and human eyes on it. I'm adding that part at all times. Who here wants their portfolio monitored by AI and a human at all times? Wave your hands to me so I can't lose any cent in my crypto. This is it. This is what this is. Faster detection of risk, better protection, easier peace of mind. Who here wants this on their Coinbase, in their Kraken, in their crypto.com? Wave your hands if you want that protected. So this is the whole idea of this. AI runs quietly in the background, no tech skills needed. Without this, one sudden hack can wipe you out, right? One sudden withdrawal can wipe you out. Okay. Risk management is wealth insurance, priceless in volatile markets. Not yet. I'm not providing insurance yet. That's part of our roadmap. Subject to change, but this is it. Okay. 24/7 AI risk management guardian. This is a human and an AI monitoring you. We are in the beta test of that. Hopefully, we'll go in alpha testing soon. 3,597 value for the Minas AIM coaching program offer. You're going to get the configuration pack, 34,497 value. The Mexico fast track global trading profile setup, 4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, 4,597 value. The compounding blueprint, 7,597 value. The 12-month elite VIP traders club membership, 12,997 value. The lifetime access to crypto legacy vault masterclass, 497 value. The AI risk guardian management guardian, 3597 value. Total value of 73,279. I have one more bonus, which I really love because I love people. You now have peace of mind. What about celebrating wins and learning with the elite? That's where your wealth retreat happens. So I've done this twice in Toronto. I was going to do it in North Carolina and I was going to do it in Florida. But my next one is coming in Mexico. Okay, so here it is. Write me in the chat if this is you. You want exclusive access to top tier investors and wealth builders. You want network with high net worth peers. You want immersive in-person mentorship. By the way, guys, I think my hourly rate right now is $1,000 per hour. I'm about to up it. I keep saying this to the $3,000, $5,000 per hour because I value my time. It's easy to make money. It's hard to make time. And now you're going to get me for, I think, 5 days or 6 days in Mexico. Okay, write me in the chat. I'm busy to travel. I'm not sure I'll belong a high-level wealth retreat. I don't know if I will deliver ROI. Private meetup. Okay, we've done this in Toronto twice. We're doing one in Mexico, I think, end of February. Elite level mentorship networking circles like this cost $25K to $50K. I paid for those in masterminds, even if you can get in. By the way, they interview you. Okay. So a private retreat where you'll connect with others, elite AI traders, investors, and wealth mentors, get advanced strategies and lock in your legacy plan. Okay. The retreat paid for itself just from connections I made. Game changing, Paul S. said. Faster networking, better mentorship, easier access to elite insights. Semi all inclusive. That's all I got to say. Okay. Semi all inclusive. I think right now you have to pay for your flights. That's it. You have to pay for your flights. I think that's it. And of course, a little bit of the Mexico ID fees. So semi all inclusive. Just show up, immersive, and growth. I think I'm covering the facilities and the food. Okay. So semi all inclusive. Without kind of all inclusive. I guess that is all inclusive. Technically. All right. So without this, you'll never access the wisdom, deals, and peer level accountability that only live meetups provide. This is where millionaire ideas and partnerships are born. The private annual wealth retreat is a value of $9,879 in value. Now you're going to get, I'm done, 5 offers, 3 bonuses. In our Minas AIM offer, you're going to get the premium pack value, $34,497 value. The Mexico fast track global trading profile setup, $4,997 value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, $4,597 value. The compounding blueprint, $7,597 in value. The 12-month elite VIP traders club membership, $12,997 in value. Bonuses. Let me drink water. Read all of that. Sorry, give me a second. Lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass. These are the recordings. $4,997 value. The 24/7 AI risk management, a guardian to protect your cryptos by a human and the AI 24/7 shifts, beta testing right now. Private annual wealth meetups. We've done 2 in Toronto. I'm planning Mexico, and I think I'm going to eventually plan one in Florida, in Orlando after Mexico. Total value of $83,158. That's not what it costs. To see the cost, you now have the elite connections. What about the complete system? You'll see the total value next. If you go to the minas.ai/aim, minas.ai/aim, the program is valued at 19,997. Once again, this is it. 8 only. It's a yearly fee, but I think we have 8 spots for lifetime. Okay, so yearly, it's supposed to be 1997. That's for yearly. Obviously, this is for people who have $100,000 liquid that wants to make $5,000 to $15,000 per month, ROIing in 3 to 4 months. I sense it, getting some feedback for people. Not a lot of people are in this boat yet. So we now offer a 3-month access. Okay, so I want to make this clear. The 3-month access, unfortunately, probably after 3 months, you won't have access to all of this. Like, you only have access to all of this for 3 months. Okay, so for 3 months, the 3 months access is 3,497, and then if you wish to continue, just divide. I don't know if it's around two. I don't know if it's $2,000 to $3,000. Sorry, yeah, around $2,000 per month. I have to do the math. Around $2,000 per month to continue after that 3 months access. And I get it. Some people don't have that. So graciously, I've created this 1-month access. My team and I. Once again, 1-month access to all of this. So it's like, hey, you still have the window of the February meetup. So by the way, the timer starts when you get the Mexico ID. Okay, so the Mexico ID. So that's a little bit confusing. So meaning, we're gonna help you get your Mexico ID. Then the timer starts, because like, you can't do anything if you're an American. This is only for the Americans. Okay, if you're Canadian, the timer starts the day of. If you already have access to BitGet, Binance, OKX, Bybit, the timer starts. But if you don't have the access to that, pretty much for Americans, the timer starts when you get the Mexico temporary resident visa. Okay, so with that being said, then the timer starts. You have 1-month access for 1,297. I think I'm done. Okay, and then what else? If you need to go, MinasAcademyQuestions.com. If you haven't, like, one question that I can't address here, I'll hang around a bit. I know I have dinner. Guys, what time is dinner? 5 around there, 5:30. I have a hard stop at 5:30. 5:30, right? So I got like 45 minutes to hang around with you guys. But if you need to go, MinasAcademyQuestions.com. There's the QR code. If you type that in, you're gonna see, drum roll, a questionnaire. You just click on continue, and you'll see a questionnaire. Go ahead and fill out that questionnaire. Okay. With that being said, I'm done. Guys. Oh, screen share audio. Interesting. Okay, so guys, this is it. The 3 options. Special lifetime. I think it's first 8. So this is after 8 people. This is gonna be the yearly fee. Okay, $19K, around $20K. Option 2, 3 months only access. After that, probably around $2K-ish per month. And then option 3, $1,287, 1 month only access. After that, around $2K-ish per month. Because if you divide 20K divided by 12, it's around there. Obviously, if you just, that's it. If you do 20K for the whole year, you're done. But if you don't, after this, it's going to be 1 month. Any questions? You guys have? I'm just going to go back to, this is it. Your next step. Thank you guys for staying. Let's do the draw before you guys get your questions. Coach Isaac, if you don't mind sending me. I loved giving you guys no problem, B News. Some draws here. Coach Isaac, if you can give me the names, thank you. Thank you for turning on your cameras. Carol, Cheryl, Denny, Harley, Mike, Notary Pam, Robert, Venue, and Zoom user. As promised, I was gonna give out Wheel of Names, some my level 1 investing program. If you have it already, maybe I'll just draw it again. Okay, so here it is. So I guess level 1 investing program. Here it is. Or you can trade it for if you don't have my trading or my AI program. All right, Vinu, you left. But we'll reward you. I know Vinu had to go. Vinu, please let us know. You have options. There you go. I'm giving you options. Whether you want our level 1 investing program, our level 1 trading program, or our level 1 AI powered coaching business program. Okay, so Venue's gone. All right, let's do it again. Here we go. One more, and then I'll take some questions. Then I want to do dinner with my beautiful children. It's a new Denny, so I don't think you have this, Denny. So, Venue, welcome to the academy. And Denny's there. Denny, are you there? Denny, welcome. Denny, you have a choice. You have a choice. Congratulations, Denny. Whether you want my level 1 investing program, whether you want my level 1 AI powered trading program, not this one, or if you want my level 1 AI powered coaching business program, Denny. All right. With that being said, guys, any questions? Any questions in here? Or not, so we can all go. Oh, Vinny's here still. Vinny, I'm gonna talk to you. You look familiar. I don't know why, but Lord highlighting me. Thank you, Vinny. You're still there. Let me highlight you, Vinny. So let me see if I can do this. Spotlight. I know you can spotlight there. How did I do this? Let me see if I can do this. Stop. Chat. Vinu. Hey, Vinu. Is it okay if I talk to you, Vinu, and spotlight you? Is that you? Hey, Vinu. You sound like you have an Indian background because my wife is African, Indian, French, and her background is from India and Pakistan. How is it going? Am I saying your name Vinu? Vinu? Vinu. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm good, thanks.
Where are you?
I do have an Indian background.
Yeah.
But I'm from New Zealand, Eastern New Zealand.
New Zealand. I believe, Coach Isaac, let me know. I believe New Zealand has access to all 4. You don't need to go to Mexico. How'd you get to know about this webinar? Is it from Brother Brian, Manuel Johnson, Facebook ads?
Yeah.
Which one? Sorry.
Yeah, from Manuel Johnson and from Brother Brian. Yes.
Oh, wow. It's an amazing combo. So thank you that you're here. New Zealand is beautiful. I wanted to go there. That's amazing. So Vinu, I'm so excited because I believe the Lord prepared myself and my team for the Americans. But I'm like, I don't think I'm God's first pick. I think I'm God's 8th pick. I'm just wild enough to say, Lord, yes, use me. I'm assuming you're a believer. Obviously, you know, you follow Brother Brian. And I'm amazing. What time is it there in New Zealand, Vinu?
It's nearly 11 o'clock in the afternoon, in the morning.
11 o'clock in the morning. Interesting. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock Eastern time. But congratulations, you're already in the academy. Whether you want to choose the level 1 investing, level 1 trading, or level 1 AI powered business. But do you have any questions? It's good to know. What do you think of the program so far, or the webinar?
It was good. I've been listening to the testimonies, but I need a bit more hand holding. My husband wanted to join, but he's at work and he's busy. But we will touch base with you. Where can I touch base with you? I know you put up the website.
No problem. So if you still have some questions, you can go to minasacademyquestions.com. So if you're ready, straight to minas.ai/aim. But if you have some questions, I don't know if it's me or one of my coaches, you can go to Minas. Coach Isaac, we can type that again in the Zoom chat. minasacademyquestions.com. You'll fill out a questionnaire, or you just reply to the email you've been getting, Vinu. right? So I was like, hey, I don't know if it's someone from India or Sri Lanka or from Pakistan. My wife is actually background is from India and Pakistan, but she's from Congo. So this is really cool. So you said you have an Indian background from India.
Yeah,
That's so
from
cool.
Mumbai.
Mumbai, and I resonate very well with Indians. Ever since I came to Toronto, literally my first friend was Guyanese, my second friend was East Indian, my third friend was from Sri Lanka, and I married an Indian. So we're both Canadians, but she's African Indian French background from India and Pakistan. But it's so good to see you, Vinny. And but I mean, I don't know if you want to address. I mean, when you say hand holding, more to setting up the bots, or is there a question mark? I forgot to tell this, guys. Type in the chat, guys, from 1 to 10 if this is amazing and your biggest takeaways, right? So let me know with your biggest takeaway. Okay, Denny, I'll address a little bit. I'll talk to you about the Palau part. Go ahead, Vinu. Maybe if we can address this now. Is there a question mark? There's some just question mark about this, or what is it that you had in mind? Yeah.
We don't have the finances right now, so I was listening to your finance spiel that you were doing. So we would have questions on that, and we would also want to know how to start. I missed the first part of this because I was working. So we need to go back to the recording and just listen. My husband and I just listen to it again, and then we will have questions.
Okay, no problem. So obviously we've lowered it from the 20K to the 3K to 1K. So here's the beauty part. You just got a 3K program. So that will help you for the level 1 investing, grow the finances to start putting into this. Does that make sense? So it's like you can't go wrong with investing. Do you already have cryptos?
We've got cryptos, yeah, we've got a few.
Okay, so that's really, really good.
We just started.
Yeah, so that's really, really good. We can also show you crypto loans. So you can also not a lot of people know this. So you can actually use your cryptos and borrow against it, but stay in position. Does that make sense? So for instance, the way we bought, because I have 7 kids, the way we bought the Mercedes Sprinter van was instead of us paying $100,000 worth of XRP for it, we borrowed against our XRP. That's when XRP was 50 cents. XRP went to $2.50. The 100,000 became $500,000. That paid off for the van for free. So there's actually some strategies. I forgot to share this to everyone in this call where you can get the program for free by borrowing against your cryptos. Does that make sense, Vinu? So like depending on when you figure out that, fill out that questionnaire in minasacademyquestions.com. We can see what are the options. And then of course you're already in the program because I would suggest the investing program. Since we gift that to you and then you won. So I mean, there you go. So like you coming in all the way from New Zealand, you have the membership there. So yeah. So in terms of the finances, I have this saying, once you say yes, the Lord will do the rest, Vinu. So we have a lot of like, if you really sense I need this and this is for me, we have multiple testimonies, Vinu, of people, Lord, in faith, you said you provide and they charge in their credit card. And I think at least 3 or 5 testimonies of people getting the money a day later, a week later, to the dot of how much the program is. So I was like, wow. And some with leftovers. So that's amazing too. So I encourage you, once you say yes, the Lord will do the rest. He always provides, right? So the question is, I guess the declaration is, I don't have the finances. It's more of, Holy Spirit, show me the finances for it. Does that make sense? It's like buy wisdom. And if you're really, really hungry, as Proverbs says it, the Lord will provide a way for you to get it, access to it. Does that make sense, Vinny? It's like, Lord, you are the provider. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you for dropping by. Say hi to your husband all the way from New Zealand. I think you're probably 2nd or 3rd New Zealander coming down to the academy. So it's so cool. And Americans, be careful. Vinu, the hungry New Zealanders are taking this. And I'm a big believer. I keep saying this. I've learned this from my mentor, Vinu, where I don't think I'm God's first pick. When I say that, like to teach about crypto investing, trading, AI trading, I'm probably the 8th pick. I just said yes. You know what I mean? Like, obviously I told it to the Lord, like I was the lower class, I was the middle class, I was working for somebody. I work for Walmart, Home Depot, big American companies. But now I work for myself. Now I help people start businesses. Now we help people into crypto investing. But it all starts with that seed form, that whole, once you say the bigger the yes, the bigger the no, right? So when I say that, it's like the programs I have, like I'm so hesitant now providing a $1,000 offer. The bigger the investment, the bigger the breakthrough. Okay, so I'm talking to Vinu so here, but guys, let me ask you guys, if you want more time and you want more money, what do you need to sow? Right? You need to sow more time. I mean, I don't want to give you guys the answer. Guys, type in the chat. If you want more time, more money, what kind of seed do you need to sow? Sorry, guys. It looks like over there. Guys, type in the chat. Who else is in there? All right. Venu's here. Isaac Roberts here. Denny's here. I'm going to talk to you, Denny. Carol's here. Mike. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you need to sow. All right. More time, more money. If you want to get healing, right? So she who waters will herself be watered. So Vinu, say yes, the Lord will do the rest. And welcome to the academy you're already in. I think Denny won as well. So Denny, I'm gonna spotlight Denny here. Denny, this is a new Denny. Let me see it. Drum roll. There it is. I was like, Denny female. I have Denny males. So I was like, who's this Denny? So am I saying it right? Dennis, or Denny? Sorry, go ahead, ma'am. Denise. I am so sorry. So my
Pastor Manny's church out in California a few months ago when we had that really small crypto meeting.
Oh, I met you.
Yeah, we met.
Denise, are you a member already? Or no?
I don't know. I don't think I am.
Okay. I am so sorry, Denise. I am so sorry. I'm meeting so much people. I apologize. I'm trying to remember that. So here's I'm gonna remember it. What's your favorite food, Denise? So I can remember you now forever.
All kinds of food. Oh my gosh, that's a tough one.
Denise from California, Emmanuel Johnson likes. What's your favorite food?
I like lasagna.
That's okay. I'm gonna remember that because that's my son's favorite food. That's my son Toby's favorite food. So Denise from California, from Manuel Johnson's church, who I met, loves lasagna. I'm gonna remember you forever now. All right, Denise. So, all right. So welcome. Yeah. Sorry. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
I met you. I'm not from California. I'm from the East Coast, but I was out there for work, and you were gonna be out there, and so you were gonna do a small teaching at his church.
And you were there.
Yeah. So
and I met you. Yeah. Oh, you're in the East Coast. You're in the East Coast. I'm so sorry, Denise. I think now I'm seeing your face because it looks. You know how camera looks different. Like, look, you can see my hair. I look so different here. But Denise, welcome to the academy. It looks like you won. Whether you want our crypto investing program, our crypto AI powered trading program, or our AI powered business, you're in the academy. So welcome and congratulations. I think you won there, Denise.
Thank you. Trading AI trading because that's what Pastor Manny talks about. Everything he says, I trade.
No problem. So this is AI powered trading. So like it's different from the crypto AI trading software, right? So I think I gift this as an entrance to this one before this program. Yeah. So that's the way I did it. Yeah.
What do you recommend that if we want to do AI trading, like Pastor Manny talks about?
So the ones that he's talking about is this, the one that I'm offered. So once again, the 1K, the 1 month, the 20K for the lifetime access, which is going to be yearly, or like my thing disappeared. So 1K is the 1 month access. So 20K, we'll go with the 20K. So once again, so if you go to minas.ai/aim. Okay, so the 20K lifetime. Okay, so once again, obviously it's like, Erwin, this is too much. Yes, it's for people who doesn't have the $100,000 liquid. So I get it. Been there, done that. So for that, I'm like, hey guys, let me give you a taste and see. Let me set up as much bot as we can. 3 months. 3 months access. So the 3 months access, 3,497 value. And some people are like saying, Erwin, that's still too much for me. I don't think I'm ready for this yet. All right, here's the best I can do. I'll give you 1 month access. And then for the Americans, this starts when you get the Mexico, the ID. So 1,297 for 1 month. Let's set up some bots, at least get that thing going. So that's what this is. That's what this is. Does that make sense, Denise? Already now.
Okay. So what you're gifting me will allow me to help me to set up the thing in Mexico.
So what I'm gifting you is either the investing. So the investing, you can't go wrong with that one because it's gonna produce so much. I've helped people 5x, 10x. It's a little bit slower. Like when I say slower, it's usually 4 years. Obviously, so slower. This one is, so that's what I've said in my academy. People make wealth by investing, people make wealth by trading, and then people make wealth by passive AI trading. So I'm giving you either the investing if you want, or the AI manual trading, or an AI powered business. So I'm giving you like, wow, giving you options, one of those three that you can pick, right? Yeah. So, but not this one, not this one. I'm not gifting you this one. And I do that purposely, Denise, because I don't want to, I want people to see the value of this. Like, hey, just giving it out for free. This is where I'm like, hey guys, like I want to see the value of this. Does that make sense, Denise? It's like that's why I'm not giving this out yet for free. Not yet, right? So right now, I think we have like 40 activated members. Maybe when we go 100 activated members, or maybe 50. Let me see here if we're gonna hit the 39. Maybe when we hit, maybe we'll have this milestone. So like we're about to hit 40. But I'll pray about it. I think, but I sense the Holy Spirit saying, don't give this out for free yet. Sometimes you're like, when you hear free, it's like, you know what I mean? So yeah. So do you have any question, Denise? So you said East Coast. What part of East Coast?
What happened to, is it Palau?
Yes.
So what happened with that? And
So what happened? So what happened was starting December, Palau doesn't allow you to have access to this anymore. So now, see, this is what happens when you delay. That was simple. $300, 2 weeks, you got it. And you don't need to go to Mexico. Now we need to go to Mexico, unfortunately. Unless you have someone that you know that has a non-American citizenship, whether it's in Mexico, like some missionary friends, the islands, Jamaica, Dominican, all of that. So right now, Palau is no longer a solution. So right now, I have to take people to Mexico to have access to this. So I think I got like 3 or 4 people lined up for Mexico last week of February. But you can also go by yourself as well too for 2 days, around 2 days.
That's the only other country that we could use?
Any of them. There's another country in Australia. Vinu might know this. It's actually near New Zealand. The country's called Vanuatu. Unfortunately, you need $135,000 and 6 weeks to get it. Like, hey, I'll just pay $135,000. I don't need to go in that country. And now you have a passport of Vanuatu. Actually, it's for citizenship for that country. There's multiple solutions. Portugal, Estonia, Germany. This is the cheapest and the fastest, easiest one. Yeah. Some people,
The US just does not allow it.
US doesn't have it yet. There's a high probability, I don't know if it's 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, that Donald Trump will give access to the American people for this. Like, so what happened is, the president or the US government prevented access. It runs in 4 exchanges. It runs let me see if I can do a little bit of the screen sharing. It runs on the 4 top crypto exchanges. It runs on Binance. OKX, Bybit, and BitGet. Unfortunately, the US government, to protect the American people, took off your access to the futures trading of those exchanges. This AI trading software cannot run in Coinbase, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah. I see. Okay.
So what I do is I take people to Mexico, and now they have access to all four. Now they can make like 200 AI trading bots. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why. So unfortunately, yeah, now so two options. If you want to be the forerunner, you want access to this, like, hey, sign up, take you to Mexico. Because you're gonna get that if you're gonna get even and help you out in an hour. I think we're gonna spend like 5 or 6 days, Monday, literally Sunday to Friday is my plan. Literally gonna go over investing, trading, taxes, security, everything. So if you get any of the membership, you'll have access to that event. All you have to do is fly there, type of situation. I'll provide the housing and the real the food. Sorry, go ahead.
What city?
Mexico City, Mexico City, not Cancun, Mexico City, around there. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. So either that, like, I need this now. You want to be one of the leaders, or you wait 3, 6, 9 months. I don't know. Actually, I might have to bump that up because now with Trump is focusing on, obviously, with Greenland, focusing on Mexico, focusing on Colombia. I don't think it's going to be 3 months. I think my best bet, maybe the earliest, could be 6 months. But this can go 9 to a whole year before that even opens up again. Yeah. But if you want this now, um, Mexico, it's easier for people in Texas. Which state are you from, Denise?
Virginia.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think Brother Brian is in that area. It's easier for the people from Texas because it's like, oh, they can even drive there.
Yeah. Oh, not hard to get to Mexico for me.
Have you been there? Have you been there?
A long time ago. But
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like, and then if you don't catch me with you, you can do it in 2 days. You can do it in 2 days. We have an agency that you can work with. Obviously, there's a fee. That's the new path now. So instead of the Palau, super simple, $300, 2 weeks, you got it. We don't have that anymore. Now we have so we were working with two agencies that can help you, obviously, for a fee, to get this. I think the rough estimate, the fastest is 2 weeks. Obviously that's past now because it's always the start of the month to book your Mexican consulate in your city. So now, like, it's between 2 to 4 weeks to have access to this. Yeah. I think. Sorry. Let's get everything out of the table. Unfortunately, I think if it's $5,000, you have to make per month, or I don't know if it's 80 or $100,000 in savings. So there are some pre-requirements for Mexico to give you this. Okay. I think 5,000. What, 5 times 12? That's around 50 to 60K per year type of situation that you have to be making, right? So to be able to be eligible for Mexico to give you this, yeah.
And what is it that they're giving us? Like a
temporary visa, temporary permanent temporary resident visa, yeah, for 1 year. And then once you have that, then you have access to all four exchanges, to Binance, BitGet, Bybit, and OKX. Just looking at the time, and then you have it, right? So yeah. If you've been to Mexico, and then that's what I said, to incentivize that, I'm coming with you. I think the gate's closing soon and very soon. I think Sunday midnight, I think, is the dates are closing for the Mexico trip. I don't know if I'm gonna plan, definitely not monthly, but quarterly. So if this is February, the next one is probably April, May, June is the next one where I'm gonna go personally. But you can go personally yourself. Like, I think 2 days minimum. You can go there 2 days. You have to go there. You have to land there. Get the sticker. All that stuff, and then the agency will help you for a fee. So we found an agency to collapse the time from 2 to 3 weeks if you were to do this yourself to like 2 days minimum. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yep. And in the meantime, do you have any friends outside of America, or people who have dual citizenship that you can, so whether it's a co-worker? Sorry, go ahead, Denise.
I have a friend in Toronto.
That can work. That can work. So what you can do while you're waiting for all of this, what you can do is, I'm doing this with Brother Brian kind of concept. I'm running his I'm using my Canadian stuff and my Palau stuff. Does that make sense? So like that's more for personal. You could do that. Like where some people, hey, I have a missionary friend in Mexico. I'm gonna do it. I have a missionary friend in Brazil, in South Africa, in Australia, in New Zealand, and then in this case, you make a deal between yourself. It's their exchange, but then it's your bot, and then you're sharing it, and you do you, whether you share the profits or you pay them one-time fee. But we can do that as well. So Denise, if you have a friend in Toronto, that person, you can do it. That person, hey, we have this. She can run, like, I think each account. I don't know if where's that gentleman? I don't know if he left. So each account can run 50. A one exchange account can run 50 bots. So she can run 25, and you can run 25. Right? Most of my members only run like 5. So that's overkill to run 25.
I think I would prefer that route.
Very trusted.
Than the Mexico.
Very trusted Toronto friend. Oh yeah. So you can, we can set you up. We can set you up, talk to that person, and then we can set you up literally in 2 days. In 2 days. My team and I told my Yep. So Denise, it literally takes 15 to 30 minutes. We're getting so much faster. I can do it personally in 15 minutes. My team can do it in 30 minutes. We said 2 days because of scheduling purposes. Yeah. So we've already optimized this to the point where we can do this in 30 minutes. Yeah.
Does it affect them in any way, like tax-wise?
Yes. Because of Canadian taxes, yes, for now, it will affect them tax purposes. So here it is. We teach you that. Once you have BitGet access for Canadian, crypto loans is non-taxable. So, however, because the AI trading bot in Canada is trading, Canada now has a very firm tax laws for cryptos, so you'll be taxed like capital gains. That's why the Mexico route right now and the Palau that we had is still gray area. So we're still in the 0% tax territory with the Palau and Mexico because it's still gray area. Canada was at that point. So when I was Canadian back in the days, that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm paying Canadian taxes, Filipino 0% tax, Mexico 0% tax, and Palau 0% tax. So I do all 4, and we teach it in the academy, diversified tax strategies. Yeah. So there is tax implications. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I want to do that too.
Yeah. I hear you. But that's why she has to understand it. But same thing. Like, I mean, it all depends. Anything below 20K, I mean, I know what the tax strategies if it's below 20K, there's no taxes, right? If you're gonna run this heavy, obviously, if you're gonna run $100,000, you're making 5K per month, 5 times 12, that's $60,000. Her tax bracket is gonna increase, but here it is. That's why even if it goes all of a sudden it goes to 60K, you take a crypto loan. So don't pull the 60K, you pull out 30K in crypto loans, Denise. No taxes. Taxes and loans are not taxable, right? So there are ways. And then I already have the tax strategies for America and Canada. We have a CPA, kingdom-minded believer CPAs in both the US and Canada. So we can work some tax strategies to offset those tax gains. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's a lot to learn. I wanted to sign up for an hour to do that personal thing for you to help me, but
yeah, I mean, my coaches are $150 an hour. I'm $1,000 an hour. So I think I believe I can say this now. I now have a title of crypto wealth strategist. So now I was like, wow, Lord. So not only am I a crypto investor coach, the Lord has given me the okay to say, hey, Erwin is now a crypto wealth strategist. So obviously my rate was back then in Orlando free. And then now it became 100 an hour, 150 to 300 to 500. My current rate right now is 1,000 an hour. It's amazing because it's like when I tell people a certain strategy, whether it's saving their crypto portfolio or like some tax strategies, the more I increase it, the bigger the breakthroughs, Denise. I was like, wow, if I was still on the $100 route, you're probably going to get a $100, $150 breakthrough. And people want crazy breakthrough. My breakthroughs now are like, like 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, 1 million. I think I took people, I don't know if it's 5 or 7 to millionaire status already. Yeah, Denise.
Wow.
Yeah, 1 hour with me is going to be like, yeah. So I offer that as well. Email support@minastech.ca if you're interested in a one-on-one time with me. Usually what I do is I do any of the emails that you're getting, email, even if you text, reply, guys, reply to the text, reply to the emails. My team gets that. So what I usually do, if people are interested in my one-on-one, I usually do crypto security first for the first 30 minutes. And the next 30 minutes, I ask you, hey, where are you now? Where do you want? And then I lay down the strategies for you step by step to hit that goal, right? So if let's say, hey, Erwin, I only have 10K, I want to hit 10 million. And then I lay down the steps in that 30 minutes. Okay, this is what you can do that I've seen in that work since I've been doing this since 2014. And I lay down those steps for you. And then some people after that, some people would book me maybe monthly. Some people would book me 3 sessions or 5 sessions. It all depends on what you want. Some people book me just 1 session, Denise. But like same thing. 1 session can totally change your whole life. Like, I mean, I'm not going to give them you here. I'll give it to you now. All right. Some sessions on Zion Oil and Gas, meme coins, tax savings, trading can totally change your life once we unlock that. And I share that to you, Denise. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll probably sign up for one of those 1 hour sessions.
Cool. Welcome to the Academy. Anyways, Denise, welcome to the Academy. I think that's a 1-year membership. Thank you. I'm curious, because you're for work, you went to Virginia to California. I remember you now. Yes, I was talking I thought you were to Manuel Johnson's church. I didn't know you were just visiting. That was so cool. So let me know. Email the team. Obviously, before my rates go up, and it's gonna be an amazing time. I believe it's gonna change your life. And that's what I said, Denise, in Mexico. You got me for almost 5 to 6 days. And at least I'm going to, my plan is probably 8-hour sessions. So when people did this in Toronto, Denise, they had me, people flew from Hawaii, people flew in from all over the country, and they had me like 3 days, 4 days. This is the first time I'm going to do 5 days. So Denise is like, oh, if I get this, I have Erwin for 5 days in Mexico. Does that make sense? It's like, I mean, let's just do the numbers. You're about to pay me 1K, but if you get that 1K program, that's better. That's a better value. Does that make sense? As long as you're willing to go to Mexico. Does that make sense? Because now you're going to get not 1 hour. You're going to get like whatever, 8 times 5, 40 hours with me and others. So I think that's a better deal. This is a better deal. Right. So as long as sorry. I think we're targeting last week of February. Does that make sense, Denise? We're targeting last week of February. Yeah. If not, I think the next after that, I might do some stuff in Orlando. I'm here till end of March, and then February, March, April, May, and then I might go back to Mexico April. But probably March, I might do something in Orlando. March, maybe like a weekend or something. I might. So I think that's close in Virginia. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, Orlando would work actually very well for me.
Yeah, but you'll get all that detail since you're a member now.
I make up with just doing an hour with you, and then after the hour, if you do come to Orlando, because right now my schedule's kind of done for February, so
no problem. All right, I'm looking forward for your text and for your email, Denise, and welcome to the Academy. Right.
Okay, thank you.
Right. So guys, I want to just share here. This is so cool. Okay. She who waters, or he who waters will himself watered. I gave Denise the free program, and now she's about to give me $1,000 to talk to her. And now I'm about to give her Denise, if you meet with me for an hour, I'm going to give you a $1 million strategy. I'm going to give you a financial free strategies in that 1 hour. But see how, guys, this is the kingdom. The kingdom is all about serving others versus everything's free, 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 free. Cast my pearls to swine. There's no value. Like Denise is like, oh my gosh, I just got gifted a $3,000 program, and Denise is like, she's about to book a $1,000 meeting with me. She's gonna get at least a minimum $1,000 result, right? And she met me. Thank you, Denise, for and I mean, Denise, you were there. I was teaching. Denise, might as well catch you that. Denise, how was that? It was 1 hour, 2 hours. Emmanuel Johnson, how was that? You were there when I taught, maybe 2 minutes or less. Let people know, how was it?
I was writing as fast as I could. It was a lot in my little notebook. It was a lot to learn, It was wonderful. It was a great experience.
So good. And then I guess what was your biggest takeaway from that meeting?
Well, it was a lot of information, but it was something that I knew I wanted to learn how to do. So I really, especially because Pastor Manny said, when he said the two things that he saw was sign oil, moving really fast, and the AI training, and everything Pastor Manny says. I tried to
Yep, me too.
Yeah, and I had flown out there to go to his church, and he was praying for us after, the end of the service, and he had never met me. And when he started praying for me, he started saying the anointing of increase and the wealth. Yeah, and he didn't even know me, and that's one of the things I would love to do, support the gospel. Yeah. So I was just, it's a lot. It's almost like an overload, really, because I want to learn how to do so many different things. So, but I really want to focus on, I'm really focused on Zion Oil and the different things he said, but the AI was the only one that I haven't been doing.
So good.
I didn't know how to.
So good.
My main goal, if I can get an hour, I can figure out to meet with you, then I can figure out what strategy would be best.
So good, so good. And then on a side note, he prophesied the van, he prophesied the houses to us personally, and he prophesied my wife being prophetic. All came to true. Like, it's just crazy. I call him a friend. I got him in my speed dial. He's in my top of my text. He's a friend now. I would have never imagined. And this is, guys, this is the example. I was the crazy Asian Canadian guy to say, Lord, use me. Coming back all the way to January 2022, I was so close to going back to work, because I went back to work in 2021. I had to so close to going back to work to 2022. When I said yes to the Lord, the rest is history. I didn't have to go back to work. And then now Manuel Johnson is in my speed dial, and he texts me and we call regularly. Brother Brian, I'm like, wow, Lord, this is so cool. Yeah. All right. I gotta, go ahead. One more, Denise. Go ahead.
I can't remember. I don't know how I even know this, but I think I was on the show when he told you about the Mercedes for your family. I a live broadcast that y'all.
Yeah. He says, "Get the van, Erwin. Get it." Yeah. And I'm like, "But how, Lord? But how?" And then boop, free van. Like, cause guys, this is it. As I close this, because I gotta have that dinner with my family. I wanted Cheryl to talk, and Robert to talk, because they're in the program. Because I said yes, right? So I said yes to the Lord. I'm like, in faith. That's what I said, guys. Been there, done that. Lower class to middle class to upper class to joint air class, all because I said yes. Okay, so Denise, thank you for this time. Cheryl, next time. Robert, I apologize. I love you all, guys. I know that Cheryl has. I forgot to play Cheryl's amazing testimony. She's amazing. She's running her bots. I know, Cheryl, you're enjoying your bots. You're amazing. She's one of my Life for Her members. She's amazing. Hopefully, I can see you in Mexico. Cheryl, Robert from England. Robert there. But I need to go. So, guys, I'm gonna play the outro. Minas.ai. I'll go back to the Zoom call. Yeah. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm gonna come with you. 2 minutes. So Minas aim. Let me go with you, Toby. Minas aim. If you have any more questions, Minas Academy questions, com. Let me play the outro video. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for joining today's webinar. We trust you learned something clear and useful you can apply right away. If this helped you, share the replay with a friend. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next webinar.